so nervous.
Nervous for what?
I don't know. Now I'm nervous. That time I wasn't.
Don't be nervous.
You're
You're
Yeah,
our-
that time I thought I didn't think of you guys like as anything.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for this.
I
Warm
didn't know you
welcome.
guys. I just said yes because I thought you guys are cool. Like reel पे मुझे cool लगे तो मैं कहा ठीक है. But now I've like followed you guys and I think you guys are cool.
Now it's confirmed that we
Now
are
it's
cool.
confirmed,
Yeah.
so you are nervous.
नहीं मैं कुछ ऐसा ना बोल दूं जिससे I look uncool.
Oh shit.
Oh, like that. Arre,
We've leveled
you're-
up, bhai.
You're our best friend as of today.
Yeah. Our bestest friend ever.
Yeah, you've graduated from like our favorite
Acquaintance. To,
favorite acquaintance to favorite friend and guest also, I would
yeah,
say.
yeah. The best. The best.
I love it.
There is no one better.
For context देता हूँ
Yeah,
थोड़ा.
context दे दे.
Urfi just got us a PS5.
The
Before
joke
She
नहीं
just
है.
gifted us a
Real, bro,
PS5.
it's
Yeah.
You guys are laughing. It's
Bro,
like,
We
it's
can't
your-
believe it happened.
Bro,
That's
we
why.
should put it in that carousel like when we announce
Yeah,
the thing
yeah.
na, so people will know. इसके
Yeah.
बाद you'll click a photo with it.
PS5 ऐसे हाथ में पकड़
Yeah,
के और मैं एक फोटो ऐसे देते हुए.
And all us like one
Shaz also there.
मैं तो reel डालने वाला हूँ bro.
Bro, we should get a हार and all also.
I don't mind.
पर वो
We should
थोड़ा
have called the Paps.
yeah, this is
Urfi
a pap
gifted.
moment. Underprivileged boys. This is Urfi's CSR activity.
Actually हाँ अंडर प्रिविलेज बोलती तो शायद आ जाते. ऐसे तो फिर खाली नहीं आते.
Random
They'll be
boys.
looking for it.
Urfi gives the PS5 to random boys. That'll be the caption.
Random boys.
We could have even like done enacted like a chori. Like she's just walking with the PS5
I'm just walking with the
on
PS5.
a random street and we go abduct her.
Abduct me.
PS5 chura lenge
I
aapse.
think that's what you should
Abduct
start
her.
doing now. Just like the videos in which you're getting pap, just do something
Like
random.
those cheap ass celebrities जो बुला
Yeah.
लेते हैं वो you know local celebrities जो नए
We
नए बनते हैं
saw-
they call the paps while they're giving food to the people or
Oh.
distributing sweets to the poor.
Damn, I haven't
That's
seen
cheap,
that.
man.
Yeah.
That's
Come on.
And then they say mat karo, mat karo.
Some people say, some people don't. But that's cheap. I find it cheap. You can't call the paps when you're giving किसी बेचारे गरीब
हाँ like
को.
कर दो ना like खुद से करो if you want to do it.
हाँ यार, I can't do it. मैं गरीबों को PlayStation ऐसे ही दे देती हूँ.
Then the Garib go and spread the word out there.
No, I brought it up because I wanted to say thank you.
Yeah.
And thank you for coming back, bro. Round 2, Urfi.
Love it. I was waiting for this. I'm only excited for this podcast.
Wow.
Wow.
You guys know it. right?
Other people are gonna feel
Which
bad.
other
now.
podcast have you done?
Oh, Naina. Oh, shit.
Sorry, Naina. Sorry.
She's excited only
We
for
love
this
you,
one,
Naina.
bro. Sorry.
I mean, it was nice, but
No, but shout out Moments of Silence. It's a
yeah,
fun
I'm doing
podcast.
one with Prakhar.
Oh, that'll be fun.
I don't know, but he
That'll
seems
be
very
like deep.
serious.
Yeah.
No, he's chill.
He's chill. I know he keeps making fun of me. We're apparently friends, but I've never met him.
Oh.
Why-
What
why
do you mean
did
by
you-
apparently friends?
But I think so. We're friends.
Okay.
I think so.
Hmm.
I can call him my friend. मतलब मैंने उसको Instagram पे शायद I think I uploaded उसकी एक reel अपने उस story पे. Then he messaged me and then I followed him. And then yeah, we started talking and मैंने उसको 2-3 किस्से बताए अपने toxicity के कि मैंने एक लड़के के साथ कैसे उसको stalk किया है जो भी है कहानी लंबी सी.
Why don't you
Naina,
tell us?
We have time.
Yeah, you should tell us the story as well.
मैंने उसको वॉइस नोट भेजा था क्योंकि मुझे भी स्टोरी याद नहीं आ रही है. स्टोरी क्या थी कि मैंने वो लाइक हाउ टिपिकल थिंग्स दैट गर्ल्स डू आई थिंक कि जैसे अगर मुझे एक लड़के को पटाना है यू गाइस विल जज मी.
No, we're not.
We
wanna
you
know how
just
women
bought us a
think.
PS5.
Exactly.
Say whatever you want.
You can say anything and we will हाँ में मिलाएंगे आज.
हाँ मैं नहीं but this is when I was like 18-19.
Okay.
So I really like this guy and I thought like how do I मतलब he was kind of a friend. So I just told him that there's another guy in my life and there was none. I just saved my sister's number as that guy. So every time my sister would call me, he would feel like, and I used to be like, yeah, this guy, he's so nice. But listen, I think I'm falling for you and shit like that. But there's no other guy. So he would feel, he can't get me, but I am
Oh,
falling
you're giving
for
him a challenge.
Yeah, he might.
But-
Oh, yeah.
Why would you do that?
She was 18.
I was
bro.
18, 19, yeah.
So?
So अभी नहीं समझ आ रहा लड़के को direct कैसे I like you बोला जाए. So I did this.
Did it work though?
शतरंज
Yeah.
प्लान किया
It worked.
It
See.
worked. We got
Oh,
into a
okay.
relationship and then I realized वो
Did you
imaginary वाला ही
tell
सही
him
था.
then?
Yeah.
Did you
That's God's way of punishing
did
you
you
for
end up
your-
telling him
No,
that?
never. Now he'll know.
Now you know. Oh
Now,
shit.
oh shit,
Sorry,
yeah.
sorry, buddy.
I mean,
Yeah.
it's okay. You girls do all these things.
Do you
What-
think do you think
But
it happens often? This
I
sort of
think
stuff?
you say you were young, but this is a little too smart for that age. I think.
No, you think I'm lying?
No.
You
I'm
think
saying. I'm saying. I
did
thought
it
it was going to be
recently.
something dumb, but
Oh,
it's
okay.
like
Like a
very
23-year-old,
calculated
24
move.
Shit, really?
Yeah.
Kafi.
It was not good for a 19-year-old.
I mean, I don't know if it's good or bad, but it works.
Lies you have told a girl to get her into your
Bed.
no whatever.
No.
Okay, anyway,
To get with her.
get wet with her.
Get with her. With her.
Get wet with her.
I mean,
Or even wet with her. Whatever you come on.
Lies.
Yeah, lie. Don't.
I can't think. I don't lie, yaar.
Come
I'm
on,
an
man.
honest
He's-
boy.
I have
I'm
one.
an honest boy.
what is yours?
But I'm thoda shy to say.
Go
Say it,
on.
say
Say
it,
it, say it, say it, say it.
I lied about how many people I had been with before.
Like less कर दिया कि ज़्यादा कर दिया?
मैंने less कर दिया था.
You were just trying to prove I'm not a whore, okay? I'm not a whore.
Yeah. I was very young.
How many people have you been with?
Now I don't
Oh
remember. yeah.
shit. Body count
But very
reveal.
very few.
Body count reveal.
Yeah, nonsense, very few.
Such care.
Double
Just because your mom watches this.
His mom watches this?
All of our moms
All
watch
our
it.
mothers watch this and then they scold us after.
Yeah.
Really?
My mom doesn't.
She's fed up now.
She just skips the parts that are.
She knows.
Oh shit, your mom watches it. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm conscious.
No. It's
No,
fine.
yaar, it's
She's
fine.
seen worse.
Yeah.
So what is your body count? Come on.
I don't know, yeah. Honestly, if I knew, I would say, but it's
Two
I-
double figures.
no, it's not double.
No,
It
come
is
on, shut up.
nonsense.
Come on. What?
People who you've had sex with is not double figures. Sorry.
Me or you?
Me?
Yeah,
Okay.
speak for yourself.
Come on.
Making
मैं तो-
look like a loser here.
It's okay, bhai. I'm fine.
No, it's okay, yaar. I mean, if he's not.
I don't. There's no. It doesn't make you cooler
So,
if that number
we
is
were-
500. Bhai.
We were discussing this thing, me and Stuvi.
Yeah.
I read this Twitter thread in which this guy has made a thread saying things you should do before you get married as a guy.
Oh.
So one was you should be making over 100K a year, dollars.
Dollars.
How much is that?
A lot.
in rupees?
100K
lakh.
multiplied by 80.
अब यार 100
Around
के
1
अभी मुझे
crore.
के नहीं समझ आ रहा है कि कितने जीरो लगा रहा है.
100,000. तीन
Around a
zero.
crore.
1 crore साल का कमाना चाहिए.
Oh my god, you know what? I'm just going to use the calculator.
But
8
he's
करोड़ हो
right,
गया
na?
ना?
नहीं, 1 crore.
One.
साल
Wait,
का
wait,
1
I don't
crore.
want to look
No.
stupid, bro.
100k is not 1 crore.
It is.
100K is
Okay,
100,000.
this is
No, Stuvi's
100k,
right.
right?
No, that is not 100K.
100K is like 1
Give,
lakh.
I'll show you.
No, this is 100k.
The people are gonna think we're retarded.
100, 1, 2, 3
Got his glass.
times 80. This
Yeah,
much.
that's 80 lakhs.
80 lakhs.
Yeah. So around a crore.
Okay, around, not around.
Around 1 CR.
Okay, 10 lakhs, no, 8 lakhs a month. 7 lakhs a month.
उससे थोड़ा हाँ
7 lakhs a month. Okay.
You should be making that much. You should be fit. Like you should be going to the gym. You should have either a house or a car. Not both, maybe either or. And you should have slept with more than 30 people, 30 women.
This was some dude's Twitter thread.
And then he said, the rest I'm sure everyone will agree with. The last one is this, so now I will explain why. And he just wrote this whole thing about you need to be like ready for whatever comes your way. So the experience helps.
I'm so confused right now, but what is coming your way?
Matlab, so a lot
जो
of,
आ रहा है वो ले लो.
I'll just be open, bro. I'll just
Yeah.
say,
Just
I
say
didn't
it as
say
it
He
is,
said
bro.
it,
Yeah,
actually.
that
I'm
dude
not
said
saying
it.
all
Fuck
this.
that guy,
He
bro.
said
Just
it.
say I quote before you start.
So he was like, कि women, what they tend to do is they leverage sex so that a lot of people get stuck in marriages because they, are
Want
attracted to
to
that person
have
and
sex
they're
with
getting
them.
like sex consistently. So if it's like taken away from them, they are very easily controlled. And guys do stupid things to get laid. Basically, that was
Yeah.
his thing. So he's like, if you've been with those many people, it's very less likely that shit
You will
will
be
still work on
manipulated.
you.
हाँ.
Oh, so girls use sex to manipulate guys.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's.
It's not to manipulate guys. It's just that mainly for men, that is like a
Maybe
very
they don't
big.
do it.
Yeah.
Obviously, not everyone does it, but the option is always there, is what he was trying to say.
See, that is not entirely false, I would say. Not like. No, I have never done it. I would never do
No,
that.
you won't do such
Yeah.
thing.
No,
You're
yeah.
very sweet. Yeah.
Yeah.
You are our favorite.
I just give gifts to manipulate
Yeah.
people. That is easy.
Manipulate people.
But it's not exactly like just sex. So you obviously you won't go and say ki, if you don't do this, I won't sleep with you. But if you're in a relationship and like he wants to meet and you're like, no, I'm busy, that's still the same thing. Like if you're actually not busy but you are kind of mad
तो
at him.
भाव तो खाना पड़ेगा ना बिल्कुल लड़के के सामने you can't just be available.
Even if you're like together, married.
Yeah.
Even if you're
Even if
married.
you're together, you have to.
Married, you don't have to be like
Even
this.
if you're together, you feel that you need to play that push-pull game.
यार पता है कब ये लगता है जब बहन जो लड़के ज्यादा भाव खाने लगते हो तुम लोग तब लगता है कि यार अब तो ये करना पड़ेगा.
हम कभी खाते हैं भाव.
Okay.
You say anything, we will
Please,
come like
balls,
puppies.
जब तक लड़कियां
To all the
Just
women
make
out
a
there.
request. say whatever you
But
want.
I've started doing that because I know it works.
hot and cold. This is hot and cold. So
Yeah.
first you're
Hot
like
and cold always works.
I didn't know, but like recently one of my friends she told me this. So not like I'm dating anyone, but like if I'm talking to someone, I would.
You gotta
use
give
it.
them some time.
Yeah,
Reply after 2 days
But I am
randomly.
very clingy. मतलब immediately if you kissed me now you have to marry me.
Oh.
अरे यार अभी नहीं अब तो शादी.
हाँ,
And in my head we're having these children.
What if the kiss was bad then?
Still.
Still married.
No.
Okay,
So
if it is
they
a
have
good
to be
one,
a good
then
kisser,
yeah,
then
yeah.
they qualify for
Then,
marriage.
हाँ.
Yeah. But then you have to marry me and I get very excited. Like when I have a crush, I go mad. It's I'm deep into that guy and then but yeah, after 1 month I'm like शादी cancel करनी पड़ेगी. I'm sorry, I don't like you anymore.
Oh.
But till the time I'm into him, I get obsessed. And I want the guy to be like and I want the guy to be obsessed.
Okay.
But when he gets obsessed,
Then you
you're
don't
like
like him.
hey, yeah.
Such a typical
she's
this
just
thing,
like,
bro.
She's just like me, bro.
Yeah. But then what if like then how will you ever have a long-term relationship?
I don't ना कभी हुआ ही नहीं इतना और हो भी नहीं पा रहा है मैं तब से सिंगल हूँ 3.5 साल हो गए last time I came I was still talking to my ex man.
Has that changed now?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
After
Now it's
that
another
episode-
ex.
After
No.
that episode.
nothing
No one?
after that. No, I've been single for 3.5 years. I didn't even kiss anyone until recently. And yeah,
Damn.
the kiss was bad. So
So no
Push
shadi.
the mic thoda towards you, slightly.
this
Now it's facing.
Should I help
Stewie,
her?
haan,
Yeah.
fix it.
this
Just keep this down. I think it's in frame.
दे
Ali.
रहा है ना वो? Okay. Yeah, you were saying.
I was just no nothing I was saying. क्या
She
Yeah,
was
you were
talking about
saying
how her
Single
last
for
kiss
3.5
was bad.
years.
And her
And
last
you
kiss
just
was quite
recently kissed
recent.
a guy.
Yeah, whatever. Ew.
Can we ask you about it?
Yeah.
Where, what happened? Like, how did it?
Where अभी क्या एक
हम बता दो.
Where, as in, like,
बताओ.
where did you guys meet?
कहाँ? I think I went to Delhi.
Hmm.
Yeah. So it was
Delhi
a friend.
boy.
Delhi boys are bad kissers.
What do
huh?
you
Delhi
do?
के
Yeah,
लौंडे.
what
How?
do you
Why do you know this?
I don't know how.
He's like Delhi boys are bad kissers, huh?
Oh yeah, how do you know?
I don't know. I'm just saying. I was telling the audience.
Probably when
I was
both your
looking in the
beards are like-
I was looking in the camera and saying, like, taunting them.
But how do you know? Even
I
if you're
don't.
taunting.
Based on your reading and your.
Based
But I
on one
only-
review.
Yeah,
But
I
it's
never
a strong review. She got us a PS5.
But
That review means the world to me, dude.
Okay, one guy. Rest of the Delhi guys, I can't say like that.
Okay.
Maybe they're okay. I don't know.
ठीक है.
But this one, but ठीक है.
What do you prefer, Delhi boys or Bombay boys?
यार
Mumbai.
पता है I've never dated a Bombay guy. I've only dated Delhi guys.
always.
Always.
So that's your type.
नहीं.
दिल्ली के लौंडे.
नहीं यार अभी ये वाला तो भी जिसको I kissed, oh my god, you can't believe what he did. Like he just, I think, I don't know why are guys like this.
What do they do?
I don't know, after 3 days, he's like, I want to marry you. And I'm like,
That's when you
Wait,
realized.
one second. Just 5 minutes back, you said once I kiss someone, I want to then marry them.
But then she said if it's bad, she doesn't want to marry.
yeah. And
Okay,
then,
okay.
but why does he want to marry me?
Yes.
Yeah. Ew. I mean, no. I want the guy to want me, but when he wants me, I don't want him.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
That's a very typical thing, yeah.
But नहीं, 3 दिन में शादी is too much.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
एक 3 महीना भी होता है, I would have been like, okay, nice. Come on, I got someone's name tattooed like without meeting them. I am a romantic, but
Romantic is the
That's
word.
not the word.
what else would you say? Yaar, it's romantic, yeah.
Yeah.
Come on. Without
the kind of
meeting.
romantic you run away from. it's,
You don't get
it's a
someone's
bit
name
much,
tattooed
bro.
on you.
It is a little extra. As your good friends, we're giving you this
Yeah.
advice.
So I shouldn't get like any guy's name tattooed ever.
Never.
No, you get. If you want, you get. But make sure the name is worth that.
अरे पर वो कैसे
Tattoo.
पता चलेगा यार
वो
अभी
तो आपको पेशेंटली
मिल लो एक
देखना
बार
पड़ेगा ना.
पहले.
अभी एक दिन में आपको शादी
like you
करना
should
है.
meet him first, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, ये गलती कर दी थी मैंने. So this guy gifted me his no, he just gifted me, like he didn't even gift me. He just kept a bag in my car.
Did you have a PS5 in it by any chance?
I didn't buy him anything. And then I just so like day after my driver was like I was coming back to Mumbai. So my driver was like, अरे मैडम आपका कुछ बैग रह गया. मैंने कहा मेरा बैग नहीं है. He's like नहीं वो सर गिफ्ट दे के गए हैं. मैं तो मुझे ही देना था ना चूतिया. पर ठीक है, I was अभी छोड़ भी नहीं सकते, एयरपोर्ट भी जाना है. I don't accept gifts, so I still took it. And then I met his sister, like after a few days. And then I just told her like कि वो उसकी कुछ दोस्त की बहन थी, not real, but so I'm like अरे यार so sweet यार, he gave me a bag, that's very sweet. And she's like, is it brown in color with golden handle? I'm like, yeah, that's my bag.
That is.
I mean that is embarrassing यार. कुछ चोर थोड़ी हूँ मैं यार.
Yeah.
ठीक है,
that is-
return the bag अभी क्या कर सकते हैं.
You gave it back.
I got the ick.
Yeah, that was quite stupid of him to do that.
I mean it's okay, but and also he was dating someone else.
Oh, that's.
I found that
that's
out.
just great.
I could.
This is a real man. And in 3 days, he wanted to marry you.
Yeah, he wanted to marry
kind
me.
of man you want to marry.
Okay, now this is where Prakhar calls me toxic because I told him the story that you know what happened. So I knew that the sister was not telling me things properly. So I was like, I have to become some detective. क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. So I went to that guy's following. और मैंने देखा किसको क्या कैसे लोग किस टाइप के लोग को ज़्यादा फॉलो कर रहा है. I could see a lot of doctor. I'm like, that's strange, like because he never told me कि कोई डॉक्टर है इसकी फैमिली में और तो है अच्छे खासे डॉक्टर इसकी फॉलोइंग लिस्ट में. I'm like, okay, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. तो मैंने सबकी लिस्ट बनाई सारे डॉक्टर्स की. And every time, yeah, that is okay. And
Okay, then?
every time he was on a video call, randomly he would just cut the call like without saying bye. He would get scared. So I was like, ये भी red flag है, कुछ गड़बड़ है. डॉक्टर्स की मैंने लिस्ट बनाई. एंड देन हम लाइक क्या कर सकते, कुछ तो कैसे पता करूँ मैं. फिर मैं गई जिन पिक्चर्स ने इसको टैग किया हुआ था तो उसमें से एक डॉक्टर ने इसको टैग किया हुआ था, किसी पार्टी की पिक्चर थी. एंड आई एम लाइक ओके ये पार्टी की पिक्चर लग रही है. फिर मैंने देखा कि ये किस लड़की के साथ खड़ा हुआ है सबसे क्लोज. तो फिर मैंने उसका देखा, मैंने कहा कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, ये इसको फॉलो कर रहा है. और उसका नाम मैंने पता किया. बट देन क्या किया, मैंने उसका नाम गूगल पे सर्च किया. पता चला कि वो किसी पता नहीं कहीं डेंटल किसी क्लिनिक में
काम करती है.
डेंटिस्ट है, ऑपरेशन मैनेजर जो भी है. सो आई जस्ट कॉल्ड हिम एंड आई एम लाइक लिसन आई नो एवरीथिंग. ही इज लाइक व्हाट, तुम बता रहे हो या मैं खुद बताऊं? You have 10 seconds. Just say the truth. I knew it. I just have to use the keywords. He'll tell me everything. Dental
Right.
clinic.
Like, और डॉक्टर साहब.
Doctor, yeah. I said, नहीं. I was like, doctor बुलाने का तो है नहीं उसका. Dentist? Just tell me.
Low blow. Low blow.
I'm like, I thought more keywords. And I'm like, do you want me to say more? I'm giving you 30 seconds or I'm gonna, you know what I'll do. And I had no idea what I'll do. Yeah, of course no.
Because you didn't know anything yourself.
Yeah, मुझे
No,
कुछ
she
मैं तो
just knew about the clinic.
Bluffing.
I was bluffing. But oh, okay, I'm sorry. हाँ हम मिले थे. अरे वो हो गई, बात खत्म हो गई. It was just, like we were just ending it up. That's why we met. And yeah, she's my girlfriend. Ex, we just broke up like 5 days back.
And how long before that had he met you?
That day.
The day he broke up.
The day he broke up.
Yeah, I mean the math wasn't math thing.
quick.
This guy was
Yeah.
very quick, and then he wanted to marry me.
Hmm.
So the timelines and everything, and then he just अपने आप ही उसने सब सच बता दिया. And
But you know, when guys get out of a very fuck all relationship, they're just like, you know what, the next one I'm gonna,
marry.
yeah,
So
not
this one-
marry, but it's like I'll try to be serious now with the next one.
Really?
Yeah, and then
Does
you
that
get
happen?
with someone, and then you try to keep it serious, and then it doesn't work out, and then you become a whore again. It's like a constant cycle.
You ever felt like that you want to marry this girl?
Yeah.
Even I felt it.
Where is that girl?
I don't know.
Blocked.
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 I feel that with every guy, so I can't really comment here. Like every second guy, I'm like, I'll marry him. I get like, मुझे बहुत जल्दी प्यार हो जाता है.
The best relationships end on blocked, I've realized.
Fuck man,
Yeah.
that's too deep. Yeah.
No, I'm still friends. I'm still friends with my ex, but
And
we
that
don't
was your
talk
best
that much.
relationship.
But you're the low. This thing is very low. I feel the quality
duration.
of relationships that you've had. The bar is not
duration.
No, even the quality.
Why?
Come on, yeah.
No, just,
याद रख.
no, just because
Duration.
she just seems like she's only said now she's not had a very long term relationship. She's not had someone who she's really liked and they've liked back and they got married and all that nice stuff.
Who got married?
No, I'm just saying कि वो it's not gotten to a point where you're satisfied with it, right? Ever. So
No.
उस हिसाब
never.
से, हाँ.
So, हाँ, but ठीक है, अभी क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Yeah. I wanted to like I wanted to say you shouldn't be doing that when you were talking about the whole मैंने उसको ऐसा dental clinic वगैरह का
नहीं
story.
करना चाहिए था.
No, that's what I in the initially that's why I kept quiet because I wanted to say something, but then it turned out that he was doing something anyway.
He was
So
ना.
then इसमें गलत क्या है सही क्या है थोड़ा becomes
हाँ, तो
like
वही होता
grey.
है ना कि अगर तुम्हारे गर्लफ्रेंड का फोन चेक करो, गलत बात है.
हाँ.
बट उसमें कुछ
मिला कुछ.
एक सेकंड,
हाँ.
फोन
फिर
चेक
यार.
करना और पूरा स्पाई करना इट्स डिफरेंट.
Still, I'm saying, I'm
Spying
giving
is a little more crazy. Actually.
No.
no, I'm just giving an example.
हाँ, it's a
But-
good example.
But I
It's a
liked
good
her thought, like the process that she followed. पहले
Guys-
following पे जाओ,
You're
फिर
also
doctors.
toxic.
Yeah,
That's
bro,
right.
this guy.
बट यार मुझे ना इंट्यूशन कुछ अंदर से मुझे लग रहा था, ये जो शादी का बोल रहा है ना ये कुत्ते का बच्चा, ये सही नहीं मैं समझ गई थी ये सही नहीं है, ये आदमी खराब है. मैं समझ गई थी ये कुत्तागिरी करेगा, अपना कुत्तापा दिखाएगा. सो आई बिकेम अ बिच बिफोर दैट, बिफोर ही कुड बिकम द डॉग.
You bit him before he could bite.
Put that on a t-shirt, bro. ये कुत्तागिरी
became the
दिखाने
bitch.
वाला था, so I became the bitch first.
We'll print it and give it to her.
Sounds
You
like a
should
rap
sell
song.
merch with that.
यार शो आएगा ना उसके बाद जो डायलॉग्स शो में मुझे अच्छे लगेंगे.
हाँ.
डायलॉग्स पता नहीं, I've said random things and now I
Hi,
regret.
so with the show, congrats by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks.
We've seen the trailer. It looks scary.
He messaged me. I'm scared now.
Yeah, bro, she's shouting, yelling.
Yeah.
bro.
I yell a lot. As in when I'm like मेरा कोई काम सही नहीं होता है तो my team also they're very like usually I'm chill. Hey, what's up? Yeah. But जब कोई काम खराब हो जाता है, I black out in anger. I will hit you. I will kick you. I will slap you, and I don't care who's around. I will shout at you till the time you start crying.
Hot.
And then I'll cry. That's hard. I want to see tears. तब मेरा गुस्सा शांत होता है. और अगर सामने
Then do
वाला
you feel bad?
guilty, very guilty.
So you do it till you feel guilty.
Yeah. And I'll do it till the point that I know I'm gonna regret it कि मैं खुद भी रोऊंगी मैंने इतना क्या बोल दिया. But ठीक है अभी. Like that's why my ex is fed up of me. I think now I realize. Yeah, गुस्से में I say stuff यार बहुत गंदा गंजा नल्ला चूतिया, that is too much यार. मोटा पेट निकला है ये, oh god, that is too much ना.
Bro, if my girlfriend ever calls me a chutia, it's done.
Chutia is funny, but
No, like it depends. on
हाँ,
how
it depends on the
thing said.
situation.
हाँ.
Yeah.
If it's in anger, I'm like, yo.
That means it
Yeah,
wasn't
calm
his
the fuck
fault,
down.
it was my fault.
No, we aren't saying it's anyone's fault. It's definitely not your fault.
Yeah, it's okay.
You can't ever do anything
You
wrong.
are-
You're an
You're
angel.
perfect.
Exactly, he should know that. अभी गुस्सा दिलाएगा तो मैं क्या उसकी आरती उतारूंगी? I'll have to like just maybe 4 गालियाँ.
चप्पल से मारना चाहिए उसको.
That is the problem ना, domestic violence नहीं यूज कर सकते हैं. तो अभी मुझे सिर्फ verbally जो बोल सकती हूँ कि
Verbal abuse.
या वो रोता भी नहीं था, उसके मुंह से वो आंसू ही नहीं निकल रहे उसके, तो मुझे गुस्सा आ रही. और
Cry bitch.
या अगर वो कोई रोता देते तो आप खुद ही गुस्सा शांत हो जाते हैं ना. सॉरी सॉरी, अरे ज्यादा हो गया क्या?
Yeah.
He's not crying.
अबे चूतिए रो ना.
It's not
That is actually true, bro. If I am ever talking to a girl and she starts crying, like, ho gaya bhai.
I don't know how to react.
The fight is over now. Like,
There's no way to react to a crying girl. It's a very scary thought.
I would want to then console her if she
Yeah,
starts
but
crying.
that's the whole
imagine
point.
you're pissed at her about something that she's done, but she starts crying.
It's annoying, but I would still go console.
Still मतलब किया है कि नहीं किया है
किया है
past
मैंने,
में?
किया है.
किया है.
नहीं, but it's not. I wasn't calling her like these sort of insults.
See, guys can't ना यार.
Yeah.
लड़के तो नहीं
They
कर
shouldn't.
सकते.
They
And
shouldn't also.
हाँ, they shouldn't also. मतलब
I get scared of saying like dumb also, dumb and stupid.
is okay.
Like, are you dumb or something?
Yeah, वो निकल जाता मेरे मुंह से बहुत बार.
Dumb तो निकल जाता है भाई.
What kind of girls are you saying, bro?
So it's just like dumb तो we call everyone.
everyone
That's
is dumb.
fine.
Dumb biryani.
Shout out.
Or
We're just dropping all episodes.
shouting out.
All the
Yeah,
pods.
All the
you're given a lot
podcasters.
of shout outs.
Yeah. Let's shout out your show.
Yeah, let's talk
I
about
think
the
that's
show, man.
more
Crazy.
important.
There's a lot of moments even within the trailer where like ये आप कह रहे हो ना कि मैं बहुत चिल्लाती हूँ. There's a lot of instances of that shown
Wait,
even in.
first of all, what is the show?
Okay, ठीक है.
Yeah.
It is. I think I told you guys last time also.
You
अच्छा,
said
नहीं,
I'm
नहीं.
doing something is going to be crazy, but you
No,
didn't
last time I came to your house then.
हाँ,
तो
but
बताया था.
cameras नहीं थे ना तभी.
Okay, yeah. Cameras नहीं थे. So, no, I'll repeat it, of
Yeah.
course. So it's a follow reality. Like the cameras are
Okay.
following me for two months. So I'm just living my life, and my life is very chaotic. It is. So just उसी की एक झलक है. And of course you get a glimpse into the past and my family. No one has ever seen my family. And then there's therapy sessions.
Oh.
Yeah, मतलब my
Fuck,
therapy
you were
session.
okay with publicizing that?
It's not hit me yet. Honestly, just they're following me 24/7. So वो cover हुआ है अभी. I
But
can't
could
do-
you not? Were there no boundaries? Ki okay, this
No.
is something that.
From my side, zero boundaries.
Okay.
So when they signed me for it, they asked me what I was. So I'm like, no. Like,
So this is pure raw and 100% unfiltered Urfi Javed in the life.
I mean, they'll edit it. अभी जो उनको
थोड़ा
लगेगा
थोड़ा।
ज़्यादा,
Yeah.
किसी को अगर मैंने बिल्कुल ही
लेकिन मैं जो देख रहा हूँ वो सच ही देख रहा हूँ basically.
हाँ ऐसा झूठ तो
But
नहीं
you
है.
didn't think, like, obviously, if there's cameras pointed at you, your behavior might change, na? a
2
little.
दिन के लिए, फिर तीसरे दिन से मैं वही बदतमीज बन गई. कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ा.
She took time to get
Yeah,
used
if
to
you
it.
were like that on camera, I can't imagine off camera.
और 3 दिन I was PMSing. शो जब स्टार्ट हुआ था. So I'm only shouting in the first 2 episodes. I feel कि ये करना था, ये करवाना था. My manager, तो I hit him one. He did a
damn.
big blunder.
Is he outside the same guy?
No. That is okay. That is also different manager. He's different. He's my sister's boyfriend.
Okay.
They've been dating for 10 years.
Wow.
So yeah, he was in this. So I was like, come, you be a part of my team. Yeah, they've been dating for 10 years.
Nice.
That's crazy.
She
Must
likes
be
me.
nice.
No. I don't know. मतलब I've seen them fighting. But ठीक
वो
है,
तो
but
होता
10
ही है ना.
Fights are part of everything. Like your show.
How long were they like documenting you for?
2 months.
2 months.
It's a lot of material.
But what all did you do in those 2 months? Did you have like those 2 months planned out and you were like, okay, come follow me? Or was it just random 2 months?
नहीं planned मतलब I knew कि अभी shoot है तो हमें ये चीज़ इसी टाइम पे करनी होगी. मतलब जो भी शूट्स थे या जो भी था, बट ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर चीज़ प्लान के हिसाब से जाए.
Yeah.
लाइक ब्रांड कोलैबोरेशन उस टाइम इतनी नहीं थी. अभी मेरा काम ही है ब्रांड कोलैब्स या कोई आउटफिट बनाना. उस टाइम नहीं आया इतना, तो जो जितना आ पाया हमने उतना दिखा दिया. जैसे अगर किसी को करना था 2 महीने बाद, लाइक नो प्लीज शूट इट राइट
do it
नाउ
now.
सो दैट वी कैन शो द प्रोसेस एंड एवरीथिंग. या किसी को पहले करना था तो वी वर लाइक कैन यू वेट फॉर 1 month. सो दैट वेज एंड इट्स जस्ट द यूजुअल जर्नी. मोस्टली फैमिली, like 50% how my relationship with is my family and shit like that. Basic.
What was it like telling your family कि okay we're going to be doing
अब
this?
क्या telling क्या है, जो करना है तो करना है. अरे Not like I was asking them कि मतलब they didn't have a choice.
No, but you're discussing very private matters with these people who are your family
What,
members.
bro? She's
people you-
Urfi Javed.
I know, I know. But still, you didn't think that it was important for you to ask them.
ना मतलब I told them कि अभी show है अभी करना है.
ठीक है.
मतलब not
And they
like-
were like, yes, Urfi, let's do it.
But not like they're doing. No offense to my family. I'm sorry. Not like, but they are also struggling. So I think it was an opportunity
For everyone.
for everyone. Of course, मेरी बहनें बीच में जब झगड़ा होता है, like नहीं करना है तेरा शो, जाके किसी और से करवा ले, I'm out. So I used to just blackmail them कि तुमने contract sign किया, अभी 2 करोड़ देने पड़ेंगे, दे दो 2 करोड़ है तुम्हारे पास तो.
क्या बात
And this was not written in the contract, of course. So I was just
Too good.
yeah bluffing them. बहुत लोग आती हैं. If you see my sisters, they're pretty, very good looking, pain in the ass. That's
How many sisters do you have?
3.
Like
That's-
older, younger?
First number,
Hmm.
second number,
Hmm.
third, फिर मेरे 4th नंबर पे भाई है, फिर एक और बहन है.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, big
Small family.
nice.
Small, yeah.
Small family.
If I start talking about my half brothers and sisters, तो वो तो अलग है. So my parents like yeah, मतलब split. हाँ मतलब पापा के तो और भी wives हैं.
Okay.
Like Muslim, typical Muslim family, you know.
Why are you looking at me? Man, I don't even have one.
She looked at Amin and I
She only looked at Amin.
One
I mean, you know ना क्या हो सकता है
option
Muslim.
है. But bro, कौन करने वाला है 4 शादी?
No, you
3
can.
ही है ना तेरा limit?
तेरा इसका अलग है क्या?
1 plus 3.
But नहीं 4 नहीं, you can marry as many you want by the
Oh,
way.
that's the thing? I didn't know
Yeah,
that. I thought it was 3.
No मतलब लिखा है but if you want and but ऐसा नहीं है कि randomly आप करो. उस टाइम ये रूल बना था कि अगर कोई विधवा हो गई है, सो जब सोल्जर्स जाते थे उसके लिए वॉर्स के लिए, तो बहुत सी औरतें विधवा हो जाती थी और उनको प्रोटेक्ट करने वाला कोई नहीं होता था.
So they used to be together.
यस रेप्स होते थे उनके या उनको मार दिया जाता था. उनको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए आदमियों को ये पावर दी गई थी कि आप ठीक है 4 शादियां कर सकते हो, मतलब जितनी करना है कर सकते हो, बट स्टैंडर्ड वाज 4. दिस वाज द मेन रीजन.
Yeah.
Also, girls if their father has died.
या
There was
मतलब
no
if you
man in
don't
the
have a
family.
protector.
Yeah,
Correct.
Yeah.
Oh.
yeah.
There was-
I mean, but for then it made sense.
Then it
Now
made
it's
sense
Like,
2000
हाँ,
years
we
back,
were-
but I mean we don't need any protection like from guys. Come on.
I mean,
Okay, right now.
right now is not the time
Yeah, maybe
Yeah.
that's.
to
Well, let's.
address that.
No, I mean
We can talk about it.
yeah, I don't mind, but generally प्रॉब्लम है. बट मतलब मैं ऑफ कोर्स अपने पर्सपेक्टिव से बता रही थी. मुंबई के हिसाब से तो अभी तक वैसी ज़रूरत
Yeah.
नहीं. एक oh shit, no. I had one incident here
Okay.
where I thought that yeah, I was like gone today. I'll get raped or something, but then I got saved. Yeah, in Mumbai that was crazy. 6 years back. Yeah, Azad.
What had happened?
Oh, it's not that serious, but it's okay. So I think रात के 2 बज रहे थे और मैं जा रही थी अपनी एक फ्रेंड के घर से अपने घर जा रही थी. It was late at night. So there was a guy also. उसका एक फ्रेंड था. उसने कहा था मैं नीचे तक ड्रॉप कर दूंगा. So I was okay. And then this guy कोई ऑटो चला रहा था. उसके पीछे एक लड़का बैठा था ड्रंक. बहुत सुनसान गली थी. He was going. He just touched me like this and he abused me. Like he called me something very, very, very bad. And then he touched me. And then, I don't know, he came back and everything and he was circling. And I felt like, कि अब तो आज मैं गई. But then and that guy ran away. That guy left me and ran away.
What did
guy
you do?
who
The guy who
was
was-
supposed to
Yeah, he
protect
ran
you.
away.
What the fuck?
He ran
What a guy.
away. And मतलब थोड़ा बाहर तक थे तो उसका घर भी थोड़ा उधर ही था. हम थोड़ा आगे आ गए थे. वो लड़का भाग गया. I'm like fuck off man. And then I knew it कि अभी मतलब शोर मचाना पड़ेगा. शोर से पहले मैंने उसका बोला रुक. मैं ऐसे ऑटो को ऐसे रोको. ऑटो रोको. उस ऑटो वाले को बोला. और जो पीछे वाला लड़का था. And then they stopped and then I started shouting कि तुम चूतिया हो. तुझे तो मैं बताती हूँ. I took out my चप्पल. I'm like तू रुक इसको बताती हूँ. And then I started shouting at the top of my lungs कि बचाओ भी नहीं कि इसको बताती हूँ. देखो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. तो 3-4 लोग आए. And then that guy was so, but he was drunk. He was very drunk. I don't know if what would have he done, but then he came to attack me or something. But then तब तक luckily 3-4 लोग आ गए थे और मैं बच गई थी. So I was still like, and then I was like, I wanted to go to the police station, पर देन वहाँ के जो लोग थे जिन्होंने पकड़ता नहीं रहने दीजिए, सब तो चलता रहता है। फिर मैं भी
They
नहीं,
didn't file an FIR after you made your complaint?
no, मतलब नहीं, मैं
She
गई नहीं
didn't make
पुलिस
it only,
स्टेशन।
na?
Oh, you
I didn't
didn't,
go.
you didn't
They
go.
told me कि कुछ नहीं होगा।
Oh, the people who were helping you, they
yeah,
said this.
हाँ हाँ, मतलब हेल्पिंग मतलब बस उन्होंने उसको रोका। They didn't really do anything. I was like कि मैं पुलिस स्टेशन जाऊंगी तो आप लोग चलना, क्या कोई चलेगा साथ में, या आप मतलब कोई गवाही मैं ये वो, तो लाइक कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, आप निकलो, हम तो आपका साथ नहीं दे पाएंगे। सो अब तब तक क्या कोई ऑटो आ गया था, जो भी आ गया था, आई लेफ्ट। किसी उसी बंदे ने ऑटो बुला के दिया था मुझे। आई डोंट नो, मतलब तुम लोग के लिए शायद ये होगा, बट समटाइम्स फॉर गर्ल्स इट्स नॉर्मल, यू नो, इट इज।
I mean,
But
it's
it
not
shouldn't be
normal, but
normal.
it's just
Sick,
like it happens a
मतलब
lot, so they're
हमें पता है कि ये होगा कभी ना कभी। सो इट्स नॉट लाइक दीज थिंग्स कम टू अस एज अ शॉक। इनबिल्ट हो गया है कहीं ना कहीं कि वी नॉट, आई एम
You are
नॉट,
conditioned that someone will come and harass you. That's what you're
someday
saying.
like
it will
the
happen।
possibilities
Of
always
it is-
there.
या
the
द
possibility is
पॉसिबिलिटी। और फिर अभी कभी कभी क्या होता है, तो लोगों ने इतना बोल दिया ना, फिर मेरे दिमाग में था, मैं ही तो रात में निकल रही थी यार, अभी मैं ही रात के 2 बजे,
Correct.
अभी
You start blaming yourself for whatever.
या आई वाज लाइक कि मैं जाऊंगी, मुझे ही लोग बोलेंगे यार कि मैं ही निकल रही थी, और फिर बोलेंगे कुछ किया थोड़ी जो तुम आ गई हो यहाँ पे, या कुछ यू नो यू स्पीकिंग अबाउट इट। ऐसे तो लड़कियों के साथ क्या क्या हो जाता है। सो आई थॉट फक इट मैन, अभी चलो, फिर घर वाले अलग परेशान होंगे। ये भी बहुत लड़कियों का टेंशन होता है कि जो बाहर रहती हैं, इफ दे कंप्लेन, कि घर वाले वापस ना बुला लें।
Yeah.
हाँ, कि आप वापस बुला लेंगे या फिर रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हो जाएंगी। ये भी बहुत
There's also this factor of shame, right?
विक्टिम शेमिंग।
No, like a girl does not want to bring shame to her family if something like this were to happen to her.
नो, ये शेम नहीं है, मतलब इफ रेप हैपेंस देन इट्स अ शेम,
Hmm.
then it's a big shame. मतलब of course most of the time, like I don't think so people even report.
Yeah.
Even जब घर वालों को पता भी चल जाता है कि किसी रिलेटिव ने उनकी बच्ची के साथ
कुछ
रेप
तो
का
किया.
छेड़खानी
They
भी
don't
करी है,
report it.
they don't report it, then they tell the girl कि नहीं बेटा बाहर नहीं बताना है, instead of confronting the culprit. I have seen it a lot of times. Believe it or not, a lot of my friends, and this has happened to a lot of my friends when they were like really young, you know, when they couldn't speak, and it is from their people only, someone in the family. I've noticed this a lot,
Yeah.
but shameful, क्या करें?
It's a sick world we live in, unfortunately.
Rapists and pedophiles, I hate rapists and pedophiles.
It's when I was talking to the lawyer Ava Singh, we spoke about how rape is one of the crimes that's been around since people have been around.
Yeah.
Like murder, rape, and theft. These are, I think, the 3 crimes that have always been there, and they will always be there. Like the idea of stopping rape is preventing it is one thing, but it's never going to
Be stopped.
be stopped.
I was just thinking about this last night only. I think I finished this book called Homo Deus, like the future or something. So उसमें भी कुछ like they were just these books talk about humankind basically and their nature. So I think it's just human nature.
Yeah.
Like some things like that. It's not possible that everyone behaves nicely or abides by the law, or even just morally. It is impossible
Right.
that everyone, even if there are stricter laws, but then stricter laws will of course make some people scared.
But stricter laws will probably prevent a situation like the one you mentioned. The chance of it preventing
No,
a
the
marital
person-
rape is not
the
that
person
high.
who's going to do it is going to do it because there's strict laws in a lot of countries
Yeah.
and it still happens
Still
there.
happens there.
No, but there are strict laws. पर उनको पता है क्या है, मर्दों का ये है, I'm sorry, but
नहीं.
yeah.
Say no.
मर्दों का ये है, when do men rape? When they know they will not be punished.
You feel like they think there's no मैं क्या ही होगा मुझे अगर मैं ये
हाँ,
करूँगा.
इसका पढ़ाई लिखाई से, फैमिली से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है.
I mean, now you can make a case that we are privileged, but we weren't taught in school. My parents also never spoke about it. I was never told that you're not supposed to inappropriately touch someone on.
What is appropriate or inappropriate was not classified to us.
But
as-
we just know. Like you just.
Correct.
I feel it's the level of society that
I mean, there's
makes a
people who
difference.
are much bigger and privileged than us who also commit these
Yeah.
crimes. So
Yeah,
I
yeah,
don't
Yeah,
think it's-
I
again,
think
but
it's
there
an
it comes from a place
illness.
of power, is what I
I
feel.
think it's sort of a.
Because there they,
Power.
yeah.
But that is what even someone who doesn't have power, he feels power over that girl.
In that moment, yeah.
In that moment कि ये कुछ नहीं कर सकती है और इसका consequence नहीं होगा.
Yeah.
तभी होता है.
Right.
That's what I feel.
I mean, the motivation to do it is different for different people. I'm sure. There's
Mot-
like, matlab the reason they do it, because a lot of people who do it know that it's wrong, but they're still doing it. और ऐसे भी लोग हैं जिनको पता ही नहीं है कि वो गलत कर रहे हैं. So
I
नहीं
don't
गलत
think.
कर रहे हैं सबको पता होता है.
हाँ, man.
Honestly, the
If
world
someone
that
is going to be reacting in a way when
no,
you
then
do
what
whatever
about
you're doing.
marital rape when they
हाँ,
feel
correct.
even
like
the
That is
husband
a-
knows.
yeah.
You know that you're doing it wrong. Subconscious, not even subconsciously, consciously, you know that your wife is not agreeing to it in that moment, and you are doing it forcefully without her consent. So this is wrong. I think
Everyone knows.
predator
Yeah.
knows what they're doing. You dig just it can't just slide into the vagina like without anything.
no, I'm not saying they're doing it by mistake.
It's not like cheating.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. It just,
No, but yeah,
that can't be your excuse.
Yeah.
everyone knows. I
But
feel every
what about people who are like mentally ill?
But you
Like
can't give
they-
them that levy that
I
what they were.
की
feel
बात
like
नहीं है
this
भाई,
crime
that-
is too is yeah. Do you want to do that?
Okay, we have a
Wait.
psychologist in the house.
Yeah.
I would love to hear your viewpoint.
Come. No, sit,
No.
Sit now. You come sit here with me.
You want to sit on my lap?
Oh,
We'll
I
come
would
sit
love
on
to
my
see
lap.
Something
that.
serious.
Okay, so this conversation has been going on for a while, for the past few days, for the past few weeks, and there's
Yeah.
something that everyone is leaving out. So it's that. One second, give me a second. Let me collect my thoughts.
We're all waiting like one bomb is going to drop.
Yeah, no. So there is no education in society about psychopathy, narcissism, Machiavellianism, and sadism. These are
I got
The first one.
first two. I
Second
got
one.
first two. I got.
Yeah. So most of the crimes that are committed in general, most of the aggressive crimes that are committed by a very low number of the population. It's usually between 1 to 3% of the population which commit most of the crimes that happen. They're repeat offenders, and they're these kind of people. And these are usually people with one of these disorders. They're either psychopaths, narcissists, sadists, or Machiavellian.
What does that mean?
So I'll tell you. So a narcissist is someone who wants unearned social status. So they have this complex within themselves which makes them think like they are grander than the things that they have actually achieved. So this will cause them to put themselves above other people, justify their actions with that way. Sadism is taking pleasure in the harm of other people.
Yeah.
Machiavellianism means that you are likely to manipulate people into getting what you want. And psychopathy is just a complete not understanding of morals. So they don't have that.
So even if you teach them, they won't understand.
It usually happens because of a combination of things: childhood trauma, neglect. It usually comes from the environment that they have grown up in. Neglect is a big one of them. Childhood neglect is a major cause of this. And so people who commit these actions have all of these traits, if you look
Yeah.
at it. So even the guy who raped this girl in Kolkata, more information that had come had said that he had done it before. He had beaten his wives before, and
Sanjay, whatever.
this was
He had-
he
so
had
he
four
had four
wives.
wives, yeah.
This was his like fourth wife.
Narcissist.
So one of the major ways to prevent all of this from happening is the identification of traits when it comes to these people. But a very common thing that happens in society is people don't even think that evil is a real thing. Like there's very less people who have had a face-to-face confrontation with evil in their lives.
Right.
So people just don't think that it's a real thing. They don't tell their children about it. No one knows how to spot it. And the thing is, it's very tricky. And this whole psychopathy thing, 1 to 3% of the population of any creatures are parasites.
I agree.
And psychopaths are the parasites of the human race.
Mm.
So that's...
Yeah, it's just becomes a lot more. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Just becomes a lot more grave for me because it might be 1 or 2, 3% of people, but there's so many fucking people in this country.
Yes.
So you will see 50
it will
rapes
take-
happening on a daily basis.
Maybe
Yeah, I think there's more than that.
No,
and
it's more than. I think maybe the percentage is more, but it's not been reported. Like
The
no.
percentage of the psychopaths in society?
just
Yeah.
how many people are
No,
recognized?
that's
as-
pretty standard across all societies.
Really?
It's 1 to 3%.
1 to
And
3.
and the thing is that once it gets to the higher percentages, the influence that they have in society increases. And so the systems also get corrupt because of that.
System.
And it's also usually of this nature that seek that excess power. If you look at anyone with a normal disposition, they don't really want to control other people. And if they do, other people can't realize it because they're not trained to see it.
Other people don't realize it, that they've
Yes.
been manipulated or controlled in
Yeah.
most of the situations.
I mean, this is just, since we've gotten this far into it, I'll just say this. Just ask yourself this. How many times have you looked at your own behavior and asked yourself, why did I just do what I did? Was it coming from a place where I was manipulating this individual into getting what I wanted instead of just telling them the truth and giving them the opportunity to express what they think and let's come to a conclusion together? The reason I'm saying that is if you identify that within yourself and you see that, oh, shit, I'm also capable of this, then it becomes easier to see it exaggerated in other people. But people don't even think that they are capable of evil, so they don't think that anyone else is capable
Yeah.
of evil.
That's true. Yesterday
true.
only I was we were going out, and Amin was talking.
Thanks for.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah,
Ali.
thanks
That was
for
very
that.
Yeah,
insightful.
thank you.
We were talking about. Amin was telling me that I don't feel like the people who I've grown up with, or the people who've grown up with me, or people who I hang out with, is capable of doing only such things.
I was just about to ask you guys this
And-
question. So do you guys have ever known in your friend circle or someone like that who has ever molested a girl or is capable of even harassing a girl or something like that? Do you guys know?
I know one. I know
one
some
person,
people.
but I cut
There are
that person
people
off.
that maybe not from our immediate friend circle, but extended or just people that we know or someone that we grew up around. मतलब एक phase में we were friends and now we are out.
Okay.
People like that, but
है, काफी है.
then it's completely you cut them off.
But some guys don't. They accept the guy.
I mean,
Yes.
I can't be.
And
my
we-
tolerance for that is much lower. Like if I find,
Yeah.
forget molestation or whatever. If I know a
Yeah.
friend has lied to me multiple times, they're I'm not even if you lie to me, you're not a friend anymore.
Yeah.
So वो तो दूर की बात है. Very basic things. If you show at any point that your ethics and morals aren't strong, you're cut off. I don't want you in my life. I
Yeah.
don't want to be around people like that.
Yeah, and there's also been incidents where I have seen people I know or dear friends or people who I've grown up with who I have a very soft place in my heart for them misbehaving with
Girls around you.
So then we have made it a point to go and speak to this person and say, listen, what usne bhi aisa, it wasn't anything like some crime he committed, but just the way you speak to someone can make them uncomfortable. So that
Yeah.
needs to be justified within friends or within family or within whoever. People need to call out
You need to confront it the minute you see it.
the minute you see it and
but
make
you
it.
guys can put girls के लिए difficult हो
Of course,
जाता है.
it's difficult.
Yeah,
for
of course.
us.
I
For women,
can't,
it's
especially if it is at a workplace, it just gets difficult, to
Yeah.
confront it. I don't know what happens to us. It's usually difficult, huh? If someone known is touching you in a bad way, you can't just
Sahi hai,
immediately
yeah.
be
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
can you, just don't do this to me. Like, please.
Yeah, a way people, at least how I have seen women do that, is they go to someone who they are comfortable sharing this information with, and they'll tell them कि
But
देख
that's
मेरे साथ
also
ऐसा
very
हुआ
rare,
है.
bro.
Yeah.
हाँ, it is rare,
Usually we
but
ignore.
वैसा
Yeah.
I've seen it happen.
Human beings are just opposed to conflict. Like you try to avoid conflict as much as possible. So that is obviously, if you bring it up, it's going to turn into this big thing. And you just either don't want to make a scene or you're like, forget it. Like, I don't want to deal with this. Like,
Yeah, or you're just too scared,
Yeah, that's
what will
also-
people say.
Yeah.
ये भी पहले था मुझ में, अभी तो no. अभी no one can dare to fuck with me.
Yeah.
Guys have even stopped sending me DMs यार now.
क्या बात कर
That's-
रही है?
कोई DM
That's
भी नहीं
a
आता
very
है.
good thing.
No.
Like appropriate.
Appropriate
Come.
DMs also I don't get anymore. Like, hey, what's up? Nothing. Guys don't even approach me anymore. No one comes to me like, hi, what's up? You're looking nice. Can I buy you a drink? Nothing like that.
I feel like because you also become you're very famous, and there's a little bit of
Intimidating.
people get
yeah.
intimidated by that.
घंटा यार.
People do
होते
get
हैं,
intimidated
होते
by someone who's at
Only
a
when I'm
higher
drunk,
level.
then I get like, you will buy me a drink. I'll buy your entire khandan a drink. How dare you? How dare you? Yeah.
Maybe that's why.
I got
They've seen a
offended.
lot of that.
No, but it was once यार. I just got offended कि तू बहन जो मेरी drink मतलब are you calling me poor or what? अभी दिखाती हूँ तुझे.
सही है. You know what? We should keep trying this with her. Like we'll keep saying, like whenever we want something now, we'll say we want it, and then she'll get pissed off and buy it for us.
Can I buy you a car? तू दिखाएगा?
तू गाड़ी लेगा?
मैं 4 लेके दिखाएगी तुझे.
अभी नीचे BMW खड़ी.
Nice. Can we go for a spin in it? I've never sat in a BMW.
No, I'm नहीं मतलब मैं मजाक कर रही थी. I also don't have a BMW यार. How
Yeah.
rich do you think I am?
I mean, you got the PS5, so I don't.
PS5 कितने का BMW कितने की है? ये बताओ.
थोड़ा सा ही फर्क है.
थोड़ा सा ही.
Only a little bit, I think.
I want to buy यार, not BMW. I want to buy a Range Rover यार.
He's
अरे
mentioned this
yeah,
last
you
time
said that
also.
नहीं खरीदी तब
अभी
से.
आएगा ना, ये शो हिट होएगा, फिर उसके बाद
अरे
upgrade होएगा.
यार पता नहीं ना अभी हिट हो नहीं हो, पर अभी देखो I'm very nervous हूँ भी और नहीं भी हूँ. But let's see.
I would be very nervous, I think.
Have you watched it?
No.
The full thing?
No,
She,
that-
मेरे को मालूम ही नहीं
How
था
many
she-
episodes are there?
9th. I'm gonna watch it with you guys
Oh.
Sick.
on
Okay.
22nd.
How like what is it like? Is this like a one episode thing, or are there like multiple?
Nine.
Nine
episodes.
episodes.
One episode में मेरी story कैसे
नहीं,
बताओगे?
that's
यार?
all. So we will be watching how much? Like one episode.
9 hours.
No.
1 घंटे का episode?
नहीं, on the
Screening
screening के
time
वक्त यार.
Screening? हाँ. Oh, sorry.
हाँ.
I think 3 episodes. 30 minutes के 3. Then we go to Estella and we party.
Nice.
Then we can like chill. I
This
just
episode is going.
We'll put it after
That's what I was
after it's done. तो देखो लोग आ जाएंगे फिर.
Estella आ जाए.
That's crazy.
इतना भी पैसा नहीं है.
Oh shit, we're going to a party for the first time.
Oh yeah. Every
Yeah,
time
it's
you
a
call me,
moment.
last time I think my eyes just went like, I have this problem. I
Yeah.
don't know if you've noticed. Like I posted on Instagram. My eyes they swell up like.
Oh, your
बहुत-
allergies.
Yeah, my allergies. So now I'm still taking medicine. So last time I was like, no, nah, I'll go to the party. I think it was your birthday party, something antisocial, something
नहीं,
like
that
that.
was a
दूसरा
normal.
party था.
I was
दूसरा
normal,
party
normal
था
वही वाली.
I mean, I call for all of them and she never.
Yeah.
You called her for birthday also?
Yeah, I think so.
But next time I'll come. 110%.
Yeah. ठीक. It's okay, Arurfi. You're our favorite. Even if.
Don't come. Don't come.
नहीं ऐसा मत.
Don't come.
No, yaar, I'll come, yaar.
Yeah.
If Sheena is not there.
Okay.
What's this beef?
There is no beef. She's a very nice girl. I'm
I
telling
mean,
you.
she's never given us a PS5,
Yeah,
so
Yeah.
See, Sheena, yo, buck up.
Just say it. Say the word, Urfi. But do you party often? Like, do you?
I know where you guys are heading.
No, nowhere. We were talking about partying. That's why I thought of
yeah.
it.
These
लोग के
guys
दिमाग में
are.
तो
I know where we're heading.
Yeah.
but
अरे
but
अभी मैं बोलूँगी कुछ तो बवाल हो जाएगा.
Let's head there.
I don't party a lot. Can you believe that I don't?
I don't.
I don't.
Even I don't.
अरे नहीं यार कभी कभी यार but I do like going out with friends and maybe dinner पे not party but like
Dinner with
Get
alcohol.
together.
Dinner
yeah,
and
dinner with
drinks.
alcohol उसके बिना क्या मजा है भैंचो रोज ऐसी बात कर रही हूँ ना मैं तुमसे like day I can talk to people sober at night I can't talk to people sober
Of course not.
नहीं यार.
बस हो गया भाई
No, हो
जिंदगी
गया
की क्या
यार.
इतना
I want to make bad decisions. I want to hear bad stuff. I want to hear your deep dark secrets and chutiapa. So just let's get
get
Just
drunk.
get drunk.
Yeah, yeah.
drunk.
And if there's music, of course we dance.
What's the time? Is it night? I don't know. Start drinking.
Not every day, yaar. Sometimes I know that video went viral. He sent me that video.
It's
Which one?
7:15.
Arey,
There's a
The video of her walking out of some club. She's walking like this.
stop laughing. मैं जो कितनी तेज हंस रहा है.
पागल हो गया वो भाई.
अरे यार, I'll tell you why I was walking like that. I was not able to walk because of my heels. And I was
There's
drunk.
no other reason.
नहीं. I was drunk. I would admit I was drunk. But
The heels didn't make it easy.
yeah, so I was trying to balance in front of the paps. And my sisters are very protective. One of my sister, she is not leaving my hand. I'm like, छोड़ बहन की थोड़ी छोड़. And she's not. So I'm like, मैं गिर भी जाऊंगी. I'll manage. ये अजीब सा लग रहा है. Because they're holding me. Two people
Yeah.
are like literally holding me. So it looks like I'm more
You're
drunk.
even more drunk,
And मुझे आ रहा है गुस्सा. I'm trying to control. I'm drunk also. So I'm trying to pretend that I'm बताती हूँ घर चल के. So there was a lot of things going on which no one knows about.
Yeah. The struggle.
Now they do. Chal, okay, what about the other 2 times?
Arey, one time I'll tell you, it was not even me being drunk. This video that people are saying I was drunk, yellow dress. I was going to that latent अपना समय का episode. So I was not going. I was coming out. In between the show, if you see, my face is like.
Yeah.
I started
Yeah.
chumming. I started my periods then and there.
Oh, okay.
I sat through my first 2-3 hours. Bad pain. मतलब I wanted to kill समय. पता नहीं मतलब मुझे I'm bleeding and I'm like I can't do it. I'm बहुत दर्द हो रहा था मुझे. So I just wanted to, when I got out, I was in pain. It was not like I was drunk. I was just in so much pain. I was like, car बुलाओ. Please, I just want my bed and that hot bottle and I want to, मतलब just some medicines or even some medicines.
Yeah.
I was not drunk. I was just on my periods, यार. मतलब हद है यार.
See, a woman
ठीक है,
guard
it's
is-
fine now.
Yeah.
It's not fine. Everyone thinks I was drunk.
Now they know you weren't.
So now you know, like, it was just once I was drunk. Once it was a genuine problem.
And the third time?
Third time will be now.
Yeah, after this episode.
After that party.
No. Yeah. हाँ, third time कहाँ
We'll
हुआ
also
है?
be drunk with her.
All of us will be walking out like that. ये बेंच पे कौन है ये लोग? यार क्या मस्त शो बना है. मजा आया शो देख के.
Crazy, यार. I
That'll be
hope
fun.
so you guys say that, but you guys are not like reality show watchers.
I will be honest, I am not the biggest reality TV fanatic.
Well, this is like a documentary.
Yeah.
This is a very
No.
no.
I mean,
Not a documentary.
seems like it.
No.
Okay, but we know Urfi personally, so
Firstly, we
We'll enjoy
are
it, yeah.
personally invested because of the friendship and
Friendship.
It's-
Ooh,
it's very-
Krishna is my friend.
of
I
course,
like it.
of course, yeah, why not?
Amy, oh, sorry, I remembered
I
something.
mean,
Sorry, he wrote something to me in messages, so that's what I know. Oh my god.
What? Oh, okay.
I mean,
I said, I'll say what
Yeah,
I said.
say it.
I said,
do we say it though?
Yeah.
ठीक है बोल दे.
I think the last time we recorded, there was some sort of a
Vibe apparently.
Vibe
so
between
we-
us
some
all.
tension.
Yeah.
Tension was
You wanna
there.
sit here, bro?
No, I'm okay.
There was some tension.
The vibe can be made from anywhere.
Oh, okay then.
I love it. Amazing.
What did you?
There was some tension, is all
Yeah,
I'm
he just
saying.
told me कि I could sense some
some
vibe.
tension.
So I was like, really? No, yeah.
Yeah, even I didn't see it like that.
हम दोनों को नहीं लगा, but okay.
हमें लगा but
सबको लगा but.
तुम ना
I was
खुशी हो
as
ना
a
तुम
viewer,
लोग.
bro. As a viewer when I watched it.
You don't watch our episodes.
I watch.
No, you don't.
I watch the ones I'm not on.
ठीक है, okay. ठीक है,
Those are
good
the
ना.
best
good.
Okay, now we've made it enough awkward for Krishna.
नहीं नहीं, I'm not awkward at all.
You're not awkward at
Very
all.
few things make me awkward.
Okay, if someone like ऐसे होता है ना, लड़के जब थोड़ा सा या लड़कियां वे बोल देते हैं कि अरे you like that guy ना, उस लड़के के सामने से it gets kind of awkward between the two
Like you
people.
blush and all.
No, not blush, but it's just awkward.
नहीं, then you have to like play along, I think.
Yeah.
Because if you get awkward, it's thoda lame.
I get awkward. I'm awkward now.
Are you feeling awkward?
Yeah.
So how do we now
No,
get
I'm
rid
like,
of this
okay,
feeling?
Krishna. Oh, sorry.
मेरे को निकलना पड़ेगा शायद.
नहीं और Amin and I will leave and then you like.
Yeah, you do.
Have a one-on-one conversation with Urfi.
Y'all speak.
We'll
y'all.
get out of the way.
सही है.
I don't know. The audience decides, bro.
Yeah, they'll-
The audience decides. They'll see, and if they also
Yeah.
sense, if you also sensed a vibe, comment.
Yeah.
Comment
tell her.
vibe.
But
Comment
they'll
vibe.
obviously comment because you're asking
No,
them
bro,
to
we're
now.
saying if they sense the vibe, na, it's that freedom of speech. कि ठीक है, अगर लगा तो.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
Do you feel a vibe now? This episode
This is like one of those, like one
will
of
be
those
like those-
dating shows.
Yeah.
I feel
Blind
like I'm
dating.
on Splitsvilla right
Yeah.
nice one. Nice. This is
now.
good.
आप दोनों ideal match है.
Oracle.
Oracle.
क्या हम दोनों आइडियल मैच हैं? एंड देन ऑरेकल की कैलकुलेशंस के हिसाब से आप दोनों आइडियल मैच. एंड देन देयर इज अ पॉज.
Yeah. And then
There's an
comes.
ad.
Idol match. आगे देखिए.
And Oracle is just like one box with LEDs inside.
He's crazy. I like in Spitzvilla. You guys didn't even watch Spitzvilla?
I used to watch
He
when
used
I was
to.
I've
younger.
never
No,
watched
this season.
No.
This season, like
I watched
blew up.
whatever you put up on your Instagram and back in.
And that's it.
Yeah.
But this season was crazy. Like it blew up. Like everyone is going live and bashing the other contestant.
क्या
And
बात करें.
हाँ.
Crazy.
In front of me, like when we were shooting, there's this guy Digvijay and Shivit. Like they both like punched each other.
Shit.
Damn.
Like, तो there were group like 10 लड़के यहाँ लड़ रहे हैं, 10 लड़के यहाँ लड़ रहे हैं. Like the production had to come in and like अलग अलग किया. They're still not stopping.
It's like WWE.
Yeah.
But real life.
And then these guys were promoting the show like 3-4 days back. वहाँ पे भी like
Too good.
Promotion पे झगड़ा चालू कर दिया.
Press conference.
They really hate each other. Why? What have they done to each other that they hate
there
each
is another reality show called Roadies.
other? हाँ, I know roadies. Yeah.
So they've come
वो
from
दोनों
that.
Roadies से दुश्मन है.
Oh, that's a long-term story.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Long-standing
It was-
beef.
Crazy, yeah.
It was a Jani Dushmani kind of thing.
Do you enjoy what you're doing with Splitsvilla? How
Yeah,
you're a part
I love
of
it.
Yeah.
I mean, I just have to come, do the mischief. I'm the mischief maker, apparently. I just come, do what I've been told. Not like,
Crazy in-depth.
no.
She's a professional. I show up, I
Mischief
do
कोई
what
और
I'm
नहीं
told,
कर
I
रहा है.
leave.
No. I make those tasks and I make those things for the contestant myself.
Okay.
Like whatever I
Oh,
have to.
that's curated by you.
Yeah.
Okay.
All of it. Then I go, I'm like, तू safe नहीं है, तू इधर आ. तू safe है, तू इधर. Like I can do anything. I have that kind of power. And then I just do my mischief.
Okay.
I can do anything. And then I leave. I'm like, okay, enjoy now. Or I maybe reveal secrets. Like, पता है इस चूतिया ने तेरे बारे में ये बोला था. इसने तेरे बारे में ये बोला था. In a crazy way. And then I leave.
Maybe that's how those two boys started hitting each other.
आपने चुगली लगाया.
No, I tell
Mischief
you.
maker.
Exes. What happened was, so there was couples this time and their exes. And I was some leader of the exes. So I got the exes in front of there and they were already, the exes are already like paired up with like new guys and girls. So then the fight started कि तू इसकी लड़की के साथ है, तू मेरी लड़की के साथ है, so अदला बदली and all that, and then boom, attack.
Crazy.
We should start watching this fight.
Leader, she's
Sounds
the
insane.
leader of the exes.
I
The
was.
leader of the exes.
And then the ex only became like, I'm like, ठीक है बीनी का सही हो गया तो मैं क्या करूँ? It's cool यार, लेकिन you should watch. Do you want to go to Spitzvilla?
I
Like
won't
right
survive
now?
there.
No, like the next season. Come on, Krishna.
So,
yaar.
yeah.
Krishna should go.
Krishna should go.
Absolutely not.
I would
Mr.
love
Mischief
to see
Maker.
Krishna.
Have you met my wife before, contestants?
Wife. See, he's the
Wife,
kind of...
bhai.
एक दिन में that's your
एक
head.
दिन में नहीं हुआ, 2 मिनट.
It's been a
He's been
year. Come on.
listening.
It's been a year
You've
since
heard-
y'all have met. So
But आज उसको पता चला that I like it, you know, मैं दिमाग में बना लेती हूँ कि
Yeah.
मेरा पति है. So he's like,
he's
fine.
smart.
But
bro.
then that's a relationship that you know will not work out.
But why did you call me your wife then?
I'm sorry. Now, भी निकल गया मुंह से. I
Chilla
can't
is
take
pe
it back.
chilla.
This is their first fight.
I swear. We are witness to it. Krishna's gonna start crying.
चप्पल निकालेगी.
वैसे भी बाहर ही है नीचे.
नहीं चप्पल में तो बहुत हील भी होती है. I
You
only
want me
wear-
to get it up so that you can show it?
You want me to show you? So I only wear heels. I don't know. I think I told you guys.
Yeah.
The cameras were not there. I never wear flats. The day you see me wearing flats,
That's the day you've given up on the whole thing.
Yeah. And, like, it's
Maybe
over
next
for
time
me.
you're drinking, wear flats.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
That is a good one, yeah. Reference game on point. I like it.
Yeah, Stu is a funny guy.
Yeah, he's
sometimes.
Sometimes.
No, he is funny, yeah.
Funny is his thing, bro.
Yeah,
I
no,
mean, it's
funny is
the-
all of your thing.
Yeah, but we have other things.
He only has funny.
Yeah, it's his only thing.
See, Yug is sweet.
Yeah.
Yug is
Yug
literally
a
the
sweet boy.
Yeah. He's the
Sweetest-
good boy.
He's a good boy.
Yeah.
He's angry. Yeah.
You know what?
No,
I'm
you-
so
He's our hater.
calm.
Kabir Singh. He's looking also like
No, I saw
Like-
that. No, I've seen like a lot of times you guys like diss people and he's the one like
Yeah,
totally
yeah.
chutiya hai, bhai, and then
See, energies match.
yeah, sometimes I can't lie. And then the guy is like there, like the person, you guys get the person, which is
Yeah.
like, I saw that beer biceps wala.
Yeah.
That was crazy, you guys, but he was abusing him a lot. And then,
Yeah.
yeah. And
That,
then
that one clip.
Krishna gave him a kiss also.
Yeah.
Off camera.
Off camera.
We,
Kissed him on the cheek.
my parents are fond of him
Oh, really?
because of all the whatever. And initially, when he was supposed to come on, I had said, I won't do it. Like, मेरे को नहीं करना था. You do your thing.
You
and
didn't want to be a part of
I
the
didn't want to
episode.
be on that episode.
Really?
Yeah. But then I'm said,
convinced.
Yeah, convinced. Matlab, he said कि it's better for the content.
Oh, content
you are a
के लिए
part
तो
of it.
करना
So it's
पड़ेगा,
much
yeah.
better.
नहीं अभी now this is our
See, it traveled to me like, I mean, मुझे याद है. Imagine
yeah.
कि पहले गाली दे रहे हो एक episode में and then second episode I'm like, what the fuck
So
is
they
this?
my folks had given me very clear instructions. You don't misbehave and don't use foul language and don't
But he's a
behave badly.
sweet guy. You can't even do that in front of him.
Yes.
Yeah.
Uh,
I don't know. I think he's
Come on,
very
man.
sweet.
yeah, he is. He is.
He's a nice dude.
Yeah.
He
We
is,
stopped
yeah.
making fun of him after
Yeah,
we
but
met
the
him.
thing, you know what? You know what? I'm a little disappointed that we're actually talking about this because I don't want to be known as that guy who just hated on beer by
No,
but
should have
she's
thought of
saying
that
overall.
before.
No, for me, you're that guy who loves Pulsar.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah, for me, it's that. वो तो मतलब मुझे एक किस्सा याद आ गया. ऐसा,
Yeah.
it's not like I remember you like the guy.
You're the Pulsar guy.
You're the
Yeah.
Pulsar
I'm
guy.
the Pulsar guy.
Yeah, now he's the wife guy.
Yeah, the wife, the husband.
Now
He's the husband.
Now he's my guy.
He's my guy. Jay, bus now. Let's move on. Yeah.
Come on, man. This is fun though.
Already-
ये देख.
already
It's fun.
2
You
minute
can't
पहले
move on,
शादी
bro,
करना
so
था
quickly.
तेरे को.
That was part. Even I was playing a part of the joke. Yeah.
Sure. You're blurring the lines between reality and fiction.
But I want to play along ना. मेरे को भी मजाक मस्ती करना है.
ओहो, मेरे दिल के साथ.
Of course. I'm the heartbreak kid, baby. That's all
Can't
I
break
do
a
is
heart.
play with hearts.
What do you think of Krishna's music?
Oh, I like it. I messaged him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You've been texting also.
Yeah.
Okay, I
Bastard,
thought,
you
I
text
thought
him
this
more
was
than I do.
Yeah, we talk more
You all
than he
talk
does.
more.
I only texted him like I think मैंने इसके गाना सुना था. I'm like nice यार, गाना अच्छा है. Like I like rappers and like yeah, I
Yeah.
like rappers.
Are there more people who have you started exploring this genre more? क्योंकि यहाँ पे अभी बहुत बन रहा है rap music.
हाँ मतलब you know Yash Raj.
Yeah.
So I had no idea who's Yash Raj. When I met him at
A
the
lot of
latent.
people
I'm sorry.
have.
I met him at
Lovely,
latent.
Yash.
So I thought Yash Raj Mukhate aa raha hai. I also thought. So when he
Lovely.
came, I was so
Poor Yash Raj.
confused.
Yeah.
I was like, what is this guy doing? Like first Krishna was supposed to come.
And
Yeah.
he backed out.
Yeah,
Backed
back
up.
up.
Yeah,
Back
Yash
up.
Raj does that a lot.
Yashra is a
He
good
literally-
friend of ours.
वो देखा मैंने. So but then I started, when I went home, I started listening to his music. And I was like, shit, this guy is like really, really talented.
Yeah.
मतलब he is genuinely good. वो धुंधला धुंधला मुझे नहीं पता था ये वही लड़का है क्योंकि मैंने उसका वो रैप कभी सुना ही नहीं पार्ट बस सब कुछ धुंधला है उसके बाद कट वो रैप कभी सुनने का मौका क्लब में भी सिर्फ धुंधला धुंधला बजता है
Yeah.
उसके बाद कुछ नहीं बजता है so I had no idea.
Yashraj is.
Yash Raj, right?
See, usually whenever we speak about Yashraj, I say fuck Yashraj on the episode because we both have long-standing beef. But today I'll take.
They
his
also
side.
have sexual tension.
Yeah, we have a lot of sexual tension.
It's you and Krishna and Stu and Yash Raj.
Yashraj.
No, but in like
But at
all,
least one is platonic.
all yeah, mine and Uzi's. But all jokes aside, I feel like we had the previous generation, I'll just say, of hip hop lead that wave, and I feel like Yash Raj is at the forefront of this new generation that's taking the art form
You
forward.
guys are like of the same age only, na?
He's younger than these fucking
Yeah,
young
he's
kids
younger
are
than us.
talented as fuck.
man.
All these young guys, man, all
चूतिया
these
कहीं
artists.
के, क्या है टैलेंट लेके बैठे हुए हैं हमें देखो रियलिटी शो करना पड़ता है but he's
He's really good.
talented
You
and
should
he's a-
explore all his work
हाँ
more.
हमेशा गांड मारता है फिर उसके बाद he's actually
नहीं भाई, but अभी let's show him some love now.
bro we do
We
always,
do. Of course, he knows where we come from.
he knows deep down
deep.
very deep down
बहुत deep जाना पड़ेगा मतलब.
we love him
But I do keep messaging him like
हाँ.
I liked your song, this and that. I keep encouraging him. I
Yeah.
feel he'll make it. Like he'll do something.
yeah.
He'll
bro
become a-
Krishna mentioned her in
Yeah.
Yeah,
How
dollar
do you
sign.
feel
He
about
didn't
that?
dollar sign
He meant it like like how I stay naked all the time.
Yeah.
So I think I saw one of his interviews जहाँ पे कृष्णा was like बड़ी sweetly उसने बोल दिया कि उर्फी मुझसे पूछ रही थी कि इसका मतलब क्या होता है. Bro, of course I know. I was trying to embarrass him when I
Yeah,
asked
yeah.
him.
Oh.
कि अच्छा इसका मतलब तो बता जो तुमने इतने प्यार से लिखा है मतलब गाया है.
Yeah.
Can you tell me the meaning?
yeah
I was just trying to embarrass him and he thought that I genuinely didn't know the
What
meaning.
he said.
Yeah, but he's too सीधा, I feel.
Yeah.
He's very सीधा what?
I mean,
I mean,
don't know, from his interviews you can
Yeah, from his interviews I felt he's an
Introvert.
introvert.
हाँ, introvert
Because
type.
बेचारी वो इंटरव्यूअर कुछ उससे पूछ रही what is your love language और वो बोल रहा है कि ये सब क्या
He
question
must
है.
have said, I only rap.
yeah he said that only
Yeah, yeah. He's like, why am I here? Why are you asking this question? I'm like, बेचारी यार.
Yeah.
खाना
मतलब
है.
she's doing her job
Hmm.
and he just fired her.
He fired her.
Fired मतलब
Fired
like
मतलब
she was
he was-
no
Yeah.
like कि ये सब question क्यों पूछ रहे हो आप?
Right.
This is why like he was embarrassed.
I feel like he's very. They go, this is my job. I make rap music. You listen and okay,
yeah
bye. He's
don't
like
ask
that.
me about my
Yeah, I
personal
don't give a
life.
fuck about anything else.
मतलब honestly I didn't even know about him unless this song.
Until this song came out.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
sorry. I'm
Yeah.
not that much
नहीं वो
into
सही है.
नहीं, it's
hip hop
fine.
music and all that. मुझे ज़्यादा लोग नहीं पता हैं. So now समय अगर story वोरी डालता है तो मैं देख लेती हूँ. Otherwise I'm not into.
Do you have a specific kind of music you like listening to?
When I want to cry, of course, sad music.
Like Bollywood sad music?
Any sad. हाँ मतलब
Yeah.
African sad
Ghazal
music
सुन
से
रहे
नहीं
हो?
होना आएगा यार.
नहीं नहीं, but I mean like, is there like a favorite genre of music? Like आप-
Sad.
sad music
It's just sad, bro. It's an umbrella term. Sad.
ठीक है.
Like
sad
कुछ भी
music.
रोने वाला जिससे which song makes you cry?
His own.
but
एक one song does.
One is kind of bad. So
what part of it makes you cry
Just
the stats
no, bro, not the stats. Stats
which
don't
song? Which
affect
song
me
do you
at
not
all.
like of yours?
Oh, there's many I don't like, yaar. But let's not talk about that. Don't
okay
tell the audience what songs to not listen to. What
But
the
then
fuck?
they
let
will
them
listen
find
to
out.
it.
Let them suffer.
हाँ, what do you say?
Then they listen to it. It's reverse psychology, ना?
उनको जिनको सुनने का रहेगा ना वो सुनेंगे बस. I'm not going to overtly. Hey, take it. Take.
No,
This is
यार,
what I
but
made for you.
No, but you have to promote
नहीं,
yourself, यार.
नहीं करूँगा.
You have. अरे? अरे?
you have to
Come on, यार.
Shut up, dude.
If you make something.
We'll after this we'll take one picture with that Pulsar I have downstairs and I'll put my song on it. That will be
Please.
good.
that's
I would
good
love that.
promotion
Yeah,
That's very
that's
good
good.
promotion.
yeah
No, but you should also ask other people, कि just listen to it. Or just if you like it, post it on your why not?
No. I find that cheap.
No, I used to too, but now I just feel it's okay. No one remembers anything. अगर
It's
वो-
not about them remembering. It's just for me it is something that I find beneath me. So I won't do it.
Fair.
I mean, it's okay यार. If you अगर आप कोई product बना रहे हो, your songs are your products. If someone if you're asking people to just listen to it, it's not wrong.
No,
it's
it's
just
not wrong.
marketing. It's just
I'm
marketing.
not saying don't do only like
नहीं, he
this.
posts obviously, but वो ऐसा personally
हाँ.
जाके किसी को नहीं बोल
करना
रहा.
I sent all of you the video actually. जब शो का ट्रेलर ड्रॉप हुआ मैं
Yeah.
तो I am like बेशरम. I send people I don't even talk to. Yeah, I'm sending celebrities voice notes. Then hey, listen, just not like post it on your story. Just give it a watch.
Yeah.
I'm messaging random celebrities I've never spoken to. अभी क्या
Fuck.
करें?
But I feel like I would start. I don't mean to sound rude.
But अलग चीज है bro. I feel
Yeah.
like he's also a rapper, so rappers have to be थोड़ा cool. Like
ऐसी
ये
बात
तुम
नहीं है
rappers का
भाई,
है नहीं मैंने देखा है rappers
क्या
में
cool
थोड़ा
भाई, everyone is on their stories saying guys मैंने reel डाला है अभी जाके check out करो नहीं तो गांड मारूंगा.
Yeah, ऐसा कौन
But that's also
ऐसे
very
है
cool
लोग.
only, no?
ऐसे- और वो भी बहुत प्यारे संगीत बना रहे हैं लेकिन I don't like it when they do stuff like that.
ठीक है भाई.
Okay,
it's
who's one
preference.
rapper you don't like, you all like because you listen to?
Oh,
King.
damn.
Like we don't like their work or we don't like them
As people.
Okay, both I would love to know.
I don't know anyone as people.
As people, yeah, I don't think we can.
Okay, so but you don't like King, you also
I don't like King when
No,
he
I like
raps.
King.
I like King when he sings.
Sings.
King when
He
he sings
raps?
is a.
Exactly. See my point?
I don't know.
अभी एक album बनाया उसने Monopoly Moves. Go watch it, guys. जो I personally did not
yeah,
like.
but I heard the song ना वो यशराज वाला जो अभी है.
Yeah, Yashraj is sick on
Yashraj,
it.
Gravity, and King.
हाँ.
Gravity is sick on it.
Yeah.
They're
Grav.
cool.
Now I'll go check out
हाँ,
Gravity.
check them out. They're cool.
I don't know Gravity. मुझे ऐसे ही लोगों में बैठ के समय की वजह से 3-4 नाम पता चले तो I'm like सुन
Yeah.
लेती हूँ. समय is
See
into
them
all
out, he
this.
must have said.
हाँ, सीधे मौत. तलहा अंजुम.
Yeah.
He's from Pakistan.
Yeah.
Oh,
These are all like the biggest guys.
See them
right
out
now.
are Indian boys. Tala
Seedhe
Anjum is
Maut.
udhar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's two people.
it's two people.
Yeah, it's a
One is
duo.
सीधे, one is मौत.
No, no.
No, no, no.
See, that is the group's
It's
name.
the group's name. There are two people.
ग्रुप में 2 लोग हैं.
Ha. One guy's name is Encore. One guy's name is Calm. Together they are called See
See
them
them
out.
out.
Oh my god.
It's like a hip hop collective. It's a duo.
Yeah.
पर सीधे मौत.
Yeah.
But they're too good. Like you should actually
They're the
check them
best.
out.
I
They're
know
the best.
चार दीवारी.
Char Diwari is there.
I saw his, I heard a song with Yashraj. He's nice.
Mm.
Hmm.
He's मतलब I don't know. I don't understand कि कौन कितना अच्छा है but
Okay.
ठीक था वो यशराज वाला गाना अच्छा था.
How was your this latent का experience? So you said you weren't feeling well.
यार मतलब ठीक है I couldn't say a lot
हाँ.
and then I was very scared with समय कि कब ये गांड मार लेगा पता नहीं चलता है. कुछ बोलो
Yeah,
भारी
you
पड़ जाए.
seemed quite on the.
So first half में I was okay.
Yeah.
Second half में मेरी फट गई थी because of the
Yeah.
cramps. First half में फटी हुई थी because of समय. I'm just literally scared to say anything in front of him like क्या मतलब कब ये I just screamed एक उसमें कि he said क्या हुआ आईना देख लिया क्या?
That was damn funny.
And I wanted to say no I think I saw your dick.
Oh.
But I didn't and then I'm like
You should have.
I should have ना.
Yeah, you should just say.
पर उस पे वो कुछ और निकाल देता.
हाँ
वो
तो
तो
that's
निकाल
the fun,
देता.
That's the point.
That's
You have
the
to keep
fun.
going.
Then comeback नहीं होगा मेरे पास फिर
अरे
मैं क्या
तो
करूँगी?
you're not
ठीक है.
supposed to win it.
You're not supposed
Yeah,
to
you're
win.
not supposed to
Oh,
win
you were
it.
not
यहाँ पे हम सब एक दूसरे की बेइज्जती कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
What do you think is happening?
Really?
Because
Yeah.
he will say something, then you will say something worse, then he'll say something worse, and this will keep going. But the people who are watching it are very entertained.
I was just scared, yaar. I don't know why was I. I think I was PMSing, and then I just am only. So
It's also a new.
I mean menstrual.
I figured that's just funny.
I mean, it is.
The
PMSing is shit.
format of the show is also very new, na here. Like people aren't used to it.
मुझे
So
तो
it
समझ ही
might
नहीं
have taken-
फॉर्मेट था क्या सब अपनी मरवाने आते हैं
exactly.
समय से.
Yeah.
That's the format. That's the
Basically.
format.
Hey, you guys should start something like that. I would watch it.
Just steal his idea,
No, you can steal
No,
it.
maybe I don't know. You can just.
like a live show, na?
Yeah.
I would watch it. I would come to your
There-
live show.
There are some ideas brewing.
Yeah, we are thinking.
I
of
would
some
love
idea.
to
Oh,
see
that
you
was-
guys. I don't know, with people or something like that. I would love that.
Yeah.
That'll be really cool because each one of you has like a very. You have very different personalities. All 4 of you. I mean, if we include you,
Yeah.
very different. Now that I know of you guys, now that I've seen your podcast, so I know it's completely. He's the cool guy, but you're.
Nice. I like that narrative.
No,
Say na, break it down.
I'm
Break
the
it down
cool
now.
guy, and your friends like me.
yeah. My friends like really like.
I mean,
Like they find
yeah,
it
what's
really
not
All
to
of
like?
them.
Most of them.
Most of them.
Like if I don't know, they whenever I tell them oh I'm friends with them, they're like, oh you mean is
Are they gonna be there for this party?
a lot of them.
It's gonna be a,
Are you
it's gonna
single?
be a fun party.
But are you single?
Now I am.
असली मिस्चिफ मेकर तो ये है भाई.
No, I am.
Are you single, Krishna?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
we're all single.
We're all single when we have to be.
I'm
You single, Stuvi.
He only
पी ले.
doesn't know it.
I don't know, या पानी पी ले.
I'm just
Nervous हो गया वो.
Nervous हो गया.
सोच समझ के बोल.
Hey, bro, have you realized every time we bring up this topic, he starts drinking water? Yesterday also we're having dinner with Kunal Kamra, okay? And somehow this topic comes up. And then,
Swear I was thirsty at that point.
and me and Amin are needling him, okay? Like we're talking about pulling his leg. And Kunal also starts asking about it. He's like, एक second, ये तू पानी दे रहा है?
I was
कौन सा
just thirsty.
पानी?
I was like, sir, please, पानी तो पिला दो. And all of them are fucking bullying me for
अरे
that.
but you tell me now ना.
I'll tell you off camera.
Why? तुम्हारा इशू एडिट कर सकते हो तुम लोग.
अब सब थोड़ी ना edit कर लेंगे.
But
उसको बहुत काम आ रहा है.
He should like face the consequences
Yeah,
of his
I
words.
don't
bro.
know, not going to edit.
कितना protect करेंगे आप? So I'll tell you, I think I'm having my one final hoe phase before I settle down fully.
settle down. You're gonna get married.
Yeah,
He
like
wants to
a
get
3-year phase.
3-year phase.
I'm 26 now, 29, 30 tak I want to.
You're gonna get married by 29, 30.
30. After 30. But you should start dating 29 के आसपास so that you can marry at
Get
30.
married within a year or something.
2 years. Maybe. 28 to 30 I can date. So 2 years, I'll fuck around now.
Yeah, वो rule था ना 30 girls. तुमने ने बताया था ना rule. There's a rule that
He only wrote the tweet with his other account.
There is a,
There's a
He's
possibility.
justifying it now.
there is a long way to go for that.
So how many to go?
I don't know specifically, but है काफी है. है काफी है.
You're 25.
I'm 25.
Nice.
I'm.
That's your number.
What? As
He
in?
said he doesn't know, na?
Yeah,
Body
and
count,
he said it's not in
25.
double digit or
It's
something.
not double digit. Nowhere even close to double.
What
digit.
nonsense.
Nowhere even close to
It's
double.
double digit in
I'm
the
being
past
a
2 months
I'm
alone.
being a gentleman and not saying on
Don't
purpose.
kiss and tell.
Yeah.
But you're not telling names. You're just
Yeah.
telling कि
What
अभी
even that?
fact कि मेरा हो चुका है इतना.
वही तुम्हें ज्यादा कुछ नहीं हुआ है मेरा.
तुम्हें भी शादी करनी है तू भी?
नहीं,
नहीं कभी नहीं.
नहीं, कभी नहीं. It's such a long process.
तू पानी पी ले भाई.
How old? You're 24.
26.
He's 26.
26.
Why would you not want to get married?
It's such a boring concept.
Boring.
Yeah, you
Like
know.
just be in
But he's not wrong. It is boring.
just
How
be in
can
a
you-
live-in relationship with someone is what I think. If
No,
you
like,
want
but
to do
no,
that.
but फिर live in भी क्यों ही करना है?
I think his point is the documentation and the government does not need to be involved in my
Yeah,
relationship.
that's the whole point.
So
I
can
feel I
just-
cannot be with one man all my life. I feel that. I might be wrong. Maybe because I've not been with
Met
anyone.
the man.
Yeah, you've not met the man yet.
Not met the नहीं मुझे 3 महीने बाद I just start feeling that I'm bored.
Hmm.
3
One man
months.
is
You need
not
chaos.
Not chaos, but I'm like अभी हो गया. I know everything what this guy does.
That guy has got to be on his game, bro. Like
No, but you
That guy.
she just said I haven't met that man yet, and you're still
I
dating
said
my-
that. I said she hasn't met the man yet.
Even she said.
because you're yet to become the man, na?
Acha, I'm a boy still.
No,
No,
but
yeah,
you're not
but-
my man
Acha, okay.
Yet.
yet.
Yeah, I don't think even I'd be able to live with one man for the rest of
No man. You live with eight men.
Right now.
Oh yeah, you're 8 guys, na, right now?
Not 8, bro.
7.
एक तो एक टाइम पे सब रहते नहीं है. So a lot of times people are out of town here and there. So
But
you-
every day is a party.
No.
Bachelors. No.
no. It's
अब
boring.
होगा.
It's very
Now that
boring
we have a
now.
PS5.
हाँ.
But it's not party, na? ऐसे तुम 2-3 लोग लगे रहोगे उसमें क्या
Yeah.
party है? I don't know how do guys good for you.
We are
guys.
very boring. Weekends might be thoda like go crazy, but during the week we are very normal, chill.
See, girls, we have our own stories about जैसे कोई किसी को पसंद करता है.
हाँ.
So I have a group like with my friends. So एक एक टेक्स्ट मतलब पूछ के जाता है या फिर एक एक स्क्रीनशॉट जाता है. So this is what we do for entertainment.
Yeah.
You have your PlayStation, we have our groups, and like even when I'm on a video call with that guy, my friends are sitting right there and they're texting me on my other phone. This is what the other phone is for.
Damn.
Like अच्छा ये बात कर ये बोल. I'm like हाँ तो ये. And, like yeah, it's cool.
we don't have all that.
Yeah, bro.
We just
for
choose
us
to
it's
be
like
There's
we'll
only
be
one
doing our
phone.
thing on
No,
our
no, no.
phone.
You guys don't even know. If you start speaking to a girl, all the texts are going to her girlfriends.
No, that we
Everything.
know. That we know.
Yeah. Even your dick size, like whatever. Yeah,
Damn.
everything. Sometimes even the dick pictures that the guys share.
Yee!
Yeah. I'm
Kulfi
sorry. I'm
yaar.
sorry.
I can't be your man.
I don't
You don't share the picture, no?
bro,
then.
it's free advertising.
But yeah, actually.
क्या है ये dick picture? Why would you share with your friends?
Not like we just like see what he said like that way. It's not like
Acha
कि
like
look.
that.
But if it's good, then we want to show off, na.
Oh, okay.
Like
okay.
that
That's
way.
kinda-
That's my price
Like
perception.
it's kind of like I don't care. Honestly, I don't care if they're
Yeah.
showing it to other people. Fuck it. क्या है, it's लंडी तो है eventually.
हाँ, मतलब it's not killing
some
me.
Crazy. But if a guy was to do that with his girl's pictures, that's
That
fucked
is
up.
fucked up.
Why is that fucked up?
That is fucked up.
Yeah,
That is fucked up.
Imagine if I come show you it. Bro.
No, that is not allowed.
Yeah, that's fucked
That's
up.
not
man.
allowed.
That's
Yeah.
not allowed. That's not allowed. I feel. I think so. But because guys are proud of it, and for girls, it's a matter of.
No, I get it. I'm with you on this.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
not
man.
saying ये लोग बोलेंगे oh double standards नहीं bro.
But अभी
मतलब
है तो double
नहीं,
standard
but
नहीं
it's
है ये,
not-
but
It's
that
not
is how
about
it
double
is.
It's not- yeah,
standard.
it's
It's
not-
just a different thing.
Yeah.
bro,
altogether.
people also think like equality is supposed to be equal, but that's not equality. Like,
No,
Yeah, that's
Think
not.
about it.
We can't think of it on this aspect.
हाँ,
no,
नहीं है
नहीं.
कि, oh, this is equal. If you're showing my pictures, that's not the नहीं.
no. But
quite
guys
dumb.
don't even discuss relationships or anything like
For
that.
us, it's like हम बैठे होंगे. I'll be on Instagram. I'll be like, oh, Stuvi, she's
Yeah.
hot, right? He'll be like, yeah, bro, done.
Yeah.
Then we move on.
For us, it's like each and every mess. Like if you send us HI, so I'll be like, यार इसने HI भेजा है, HEYYYY क्यों नहीं भेजा? कल तो वो भेजा था. So what do you think he's upset or do you think he likes me?
Do you think he's talking to another girl?
Yeah, and we decode. We sit down. We decode every message कि ये ऐसे कर रहा है और ऐसे नहीं. अब इससे 4 घंटे बाद रिप्लाई किया. तो अब मतलब इसका मतलब क्या है? कल तो 2 घंटे में कर रहा था. There's something wrong.
That's actually, I think, it's a waste of time.
Yeah, it
because,
is, it
because
is.
guys don't think so much.
वही
So
ना, that's
अगर
what I'm
वो
saying. Have you
4
never
घंटे
thought
के-
that it might maybe he just wanted to say that? If I want,
I sometimes reply after like days because I just forget that I was talking
You
to
have a
somebody.
girlfriend.
Why are we going back over there?
पानी पी लेगा.
मैं पानी पी लेता हूँ.
नहीं भाई, ऐसा है कि like you will think 4 hours, what is he doing? He's probably just sitting showing his friends, bro, she's hot.
That-
वही, like guys are very simple, bro.
Yeah.
Most times we're just doing. Now I've started playing games thoda with girls. Like I'll open it, I'll leave it on scene for 3 hours.
नहीं,
And
but
then-
ये भी this also he started doing after all this shit they have pulled. When they have behaved like this. Otherwise, before he was not like this.
No, but now I know I'm having fun. I'm not trying to be serious with
हाँ,
anyone, so
ठीक
I'm
है.
playing games.
but it really fucks up the girl. Like I would go mad like if you late reply. Like I'm not interested. Doesn't matter if I'm not interested. But how dare you late
That's
reply.
when you get
That's when you
interested.
start
in him.
getting
Yeah.
interested.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then but we क्या करे यार ऐसे ही है. But you can't do that. Yeah, don't do that to girls. You have to want to like want her. Like you need to want her badly. That's
But,
But
I
then
don't,
she won't want him back, no?
yeah. That is okay.
How is that okay?
No, that is okay. I want the guy to want me. So you need to be that person. I'm sorry. That's
But then you stop liking
But
them.
then you stop liking
हाँ
him.
वो एक problem है.
There's
She's
no
just
winning, bro.
contradicting
There's no
herself.
क्या
winning
है,
in this.
it's like a
But then it feeds my
vicious
ego.
cycle.
But it feeds my I think it feeds your ego. So I think that's why we all like the chase. We love it. No, but as I'm aging, not that I'm old. I'm of your age only. But I think it's changing.
Yeah.
Now I want the guy to be just tell me if you like me. Don't play these games.
Mm.
Just tell me honestly that hey I like you and I ask me out maybe and just be normal. Normal matlab be okay. That's it.
I mean, I also prefer just saying, oh, let's meet in person and talk instead of ये मेरे को text पे बैठ के.
Bore होता है भाई.
Like text is for making plans. That's it.
No, I'm always like on text.
That's not a good thing. Guys don't like it.
I don't like really?
Yeah.
What did you say,
मुझे तो
guys?
पसंद नहीं है.
Texting.
Yeah, it's quite weird. At least I feel our generation probably.
In
Maybe
fact,
the kids.
I don't
Plus,
want
we
to be
have like
contacted
other
only.
things to do
Yeah.
here. Before, when we were in Pune, we were all villa, so we'd sit and text. But now there's so much to do. I don't want to be on my phone.
I like being. I like. It's been so long, and I'm just so tempted. Like,
To lift it up, check it once.
yeah, just check it once. Like, कोई message तो नहीं आया होगा. There's this fear of missing out.
Yeah.
No, damn, I'm addicted. I'm very addicted to my phone.
But wo agar you keep your phone aside for 3 days na without checking and you go back, you're like, nothing even happened. Like,
अपना बताओ, मुझे तो आ जाते हैं.
nahi, but wo bhi messages to come, but it's like, okay, whatever.
हाँ, and मतलब then you feel kind of empty or something. I don't know. You feel. पता नहीं. I've never done that. वैसे by
You're
the way.
forced to sit with your own thoughts.
But
And
I've never done that. 3 days without. I've not even been 3 hours without my phone.
you should do Vipassana.
What is that?
It's like a
1 week thing,
It's like a
10
practice.
days.
10 day
What
thing.
is where does it happen?
There are-
Vipassana is
there are various
meditation.
centers.
So you go to a center where you don't have your phone.
I've seen Dev's story.
No, that's
Oh,
not.
he keeps going
That
somewhere.
is Sadhguru.
वो
That is
सदगुरु
like
का
उसमें
Dev
phone नहीं
मतलब-
लेते. Dev Rayani.
हाँ.
that's
Yeah.
like sunburn for.
for people who like yoga.
No, Vipassana is like real. It's legit.
What do you do?
You just go there and you meditate.
It's an ashram.
And it's not an
It's
ashram.
not an ashram, it's a center. You have to
Mukti,
enroll
Nasha
yourself.
Mukti Kendra type.
Nahi,
नहीं
nahi.
नहीं नहीं.
You
नशा
go
मुक्ति
there
केंद्र
and
नहीं,
there are. So you meditate multiple times a day. There's instructors. You're not allowed to have a phone. You can't talk for. You can't hear anything. You can't talk. You can't write or read.
What do you do?
You just
sit with your
meditate
thoughts.
and sit with your thoughts. It's like a detox from everything.
From the world as we know
Yeah.
it.
So
I
you
don't know if I can do it.
so you sit and think about yourself and you like address your trauma.
You
So
self-reflect basically through that period.
You should do it. You should try.
It can be powerful for people who do it.
Like it changes people's lives after they come out.
I don't know, man. I've not been without my phone for maximum, I think, 24 hours. That is no Big Boss 1 week, and we all know what happens in Big Boss.
Yeah.
So
No, but this
Wait.
is not like that. No one's fighting over there. It's chill.
There it's all quiet.
then that's why I don't want it. I hate meditating. I have tried it. It's very boring. Yeah.
That's the point. That's the point. I think.
No, yeah. How do people do it? Ganto. I can't. 1 minute. I'm like, no, भैया, मुझे जाने दो. In my Pilates, they make us meditate for 5 minutes. हमने नहीं हो पाएगा, please. बेंच पे Pilates करो, मुझे जाने दो. ये क्या भी? I can't do it. It's very boring. I can't.
Does the instructor there, she has an alternative exercise for you when everyone
No,
else is
I leave. I'm
meditating?
like, they keep stopping me. अरे ma'am.
She just gets up.
Yeah, I get up and I leave from
बाकी
that
सबके
room.
तो आँख बंद है.
हाँ, बाकी सब अपना मस्त कर रहे हैं, जो कर रहे हैं. I leave. I'm like, I work, यार. Please, I'm sorry. They keep telling me.
I'm busy.
I'm busy. They're like, ma'am, 5 minutes, it's important. I'm like, sorry. For body, whatever.
No, but as someone who takes care of their body and their well-being, you should try doing it more often.
You meditate.
I have personally started, like, it's started now recently, but it's not anything great. Like, I don't do.
You start with 1 minute, then you do
हाँ, you have
2
to start
minutes.
slow,
You
na?
can't just
Starting
start
में-
with 10 minutes. It's
You can't do 100
difficult.
push-ups on your first day at the gym.
I did.
100?
I can do 100 push-ups easily.
You'll show your form later.
I'm wearing Indian today, so that is the
Acha,
only
that's
problem.
right.
Otherwise, I would have done it.
Achha.
I mean, if you want,
100?
100 is कुछ ज़्यादा हो रहा है भाई. I like we.
I can challenge you guys.
I can't do 100.
I can't do 100.
So I win.
I've just hit
He-
chest
he'll
yesterday.
do it.
So I win.
I won, brother. I won.
Krishna can.
I don't think I can.
Yeah, he'll
100
get
in
gas
one
out
go.
in-
But I haven't worked out in a while.
Without stopping.
Without stopping, 100.
That's crazy.
That's wild. What have you been eating?
Yeah.
Ah, she's also bluffing. This woman and her bluffing.
No, Arey, you want me to show you?
No,
Do
it's
I do
fine,
it here?
On the table.
That'll be a first.
I guess we'll never know if you
Yeah.
really.
You guys will never know because I chose to wear Indian today. Otherwise, I would have
ठीक
just
है, सही है.
shown
नहीं,
you.
but you should try it.
We'll give her the merch t-shirt, then she can like.
There are like apps and stuff that you can download and
उससे
they.
क्या वो फोन पे ही आ गई फिर मैं.
नहीं, but that's you be involved with your phone.
So
में
you
थोड़ा.
have to just be on your phone and.
नहीं, it's a
meditate.
learning curve ना. First time when you're learning how to drive, you have the instructor with you pressing the pedals
No, I don't.
while you are driving. That's how it works in a driving school. वैसे
That
ही
is
होता है.
very yeah. So I.
Yeah, like just do it yourself.
नहीं,
bro.
he's there to
अरे
be
जिसको
sure.
नहीं आता है वो कैसे करेगा?
कैसे
रोड
करेगा?
पे?
I also learned like that only.
अरे
The
तो-
instructor was just sitting next to me, was telling me what is to be done.
अबे he has pedals under him.
No, mine I learned on my car.
So
Actually, you're talking about car. I thought you were talking about medication.
नहीं, I'm
Meditation.
using that as an example.
This conversation has gotten fucked up.
It's like such an
Car-
ADHD conversation.
you tell us some new food combinations. That's fun.
Yeah.
Last time we did the ice cream and the fries.
Yeah, why didn't you like it?
I liked it.
You liked it.
I liked it
You
from
liked
before
it.
only.
He hated it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was bad.
But I think he
I'm
didn't
sorry.
try it.
I did. It's on camera. I'm making the same face.
You liked it, Stewie? You
I never
liked it.
tried it only.
Oh, he
So,
wasn't there.
I mean, I just recently discovered थोड़ी सी शायद मैंने जलेबी मंगाई थी और फ्राइड चिकन बचा हुआ था. So just
Disgusting.
take some. अरे no.
बहुत गंदा रहेगा
Okay,
भाई.
take some jalebi,
so it's
fried
like-
chicken.
So
a
it's like
bread.
hot and spicy.
Yeah, exactly. It's like
Hot and spicy, no?
no, sweet and spicy.
Sweet
Sweet
and
and
spicy.
spicy.
But if it's hot, it's hot. And then just drizzle honey over pizza. It is so good. Honey over that pizza. And even, especially if it's that pizza, mushroom and white sauce one.
Oh, okay.
Like no tomato sauce.
Alfredo fettuccine.
हाँ fettuccine तो वो हो गया ना पास्ता.
Sorry, what is it called?
No, I know what you're saying. There's this white pizza that people have started having.
Yeah. So you just drizzle some honey and chili flakes and then have your pizza. It is so it's you can't stop eating. You can't. I think
Because
I
you're throwing up.
why are you saying
Let's
mean,
try.
no,
Let's try.
let's
One-
try it and
something.
then you guys can decide.
Can we get some fried chicken and jalebi from the?
He was just
the
lying
kitchen?
around in the house.
Yeah, we just happen to have all that shit.
Really? Wow, you have
Isn't that
fried jalebi
crazy?
and chicken at your house.
Yeah, everything.
So you keep it in your fridge always.
जलेबी तो हमने मंगवाया था ना
You
because of
never know.
PS5.
You never know when you might need some fried chicken and jalebi.
Yeah, fried chicken we eat
अरे
regularly.
people have that ना अरे अपने बाहर वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको what is that called that
झिलका.
what is झिलका
That big.
Let her
sorry.
speak.
no
sorry.
अरे वो जिसको वो करते हैं ना ऐसे दोनों ऐसे ऐसे करके
क्या?
खाते हैं what the name बहुत फेमस है
Barbecue.
नहीं
Say, do-
दुकानें भी हैं इंडिया में
Tandoori.
waffle
Waffle.
waffles I'm telling you
got
guys
it.
तो ऐसा क्या
Oh, the
था
machine. Ah, yes, correct.
I can't play that game with you guys what is it called
Charades.
हाँ.
तो उसमें they have that I've seen they have waffle chicken and honey or maple syrup.
Oh
It's-
yeah, I've seen that
So
actually.
like yeah, you're just replacing maple syrup with jalebi.
We'll try. We'll see.
करते हैं.
We'll see. These guys, they always said, bro, why the fuck do you always have fried chicken and jalebi? Like, I said, what if we need it? He's like, why the fuck would we need
Yeah.
it? I'm like, see now.
See, today we needed it.
Today,
Today,
it came in handy.
finally.
Am's reached this different level of intellectual being.
I have evolved.
I don't know how you're doing it.
And I'm nervous. I've eaten it, but now I'm nervous because of you guys.
I know.
Ki what if you guys don't like it?
It's okay, na?
No, yaar, you guys need to like it, man.
ठीक
Like-
है,
Now
we'll fake like
we will like it. Yes, we will.
Whatever Urfi says we're gonna do,
No,
bro.
no, no, no. To be honest about it, yeah.
I think it'll be okay.
Yeah, even I feel like it'll be better than French fries and.
No, 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 no,
Whatever.
no, no. Nothing beats French fries and ice cream. Salted French fries and ice cream. It is the combination that I can't get over.
अभी मैं ये देख रहा हूँ. I saw this one reel. I think Dua Lipa is saying that she
Soy
has
sauce.
Yeah,
Sorry,
soy
sorry,
sauce
no,
nahi.
soy sauce.
Olive oil.
Olive oil and
Olive oil.
salt.
olive oil, salt, and vanilla ice
Vanilla
cream.
ice cream. This is old, but
Oh yeah, I remember this video.
And there's this video of people trying it actually,
Yeah.
and everyone was like, "What the fuck?"
But
why
you've
is
had
it
olive oil cake?
so-" No.
what?
You've not tried, guys. This olive oil cake, it is. Oh, okay, I'll send something like that. Yeah, I'll send an olive oil cake over. Try it.
Okay.
It is amazing. It's made from olive oil or whatever.
Really?
You can't even
Olive
put
oil
that.
or
The olive.
It's not gonna go anywhere,
Suvi,
Nana.
एक second. Yeah.
I'll
The-
put it. I'll put it.
Guys,
Camera.
one minute. The olive oil cake is made out of olive oil
Yeah. Can you believe
and
it?
cake.
Olive oil.
Or what is the other ingredient in the olive oil cake?
The he's right.
It's bad.
That's crazy.
It is the batter. I don't know the other ingredient. I just know one ingredient. Olive oil.
सही है.
Oh, it's here.
Miracle.
Let's go. Fried
Oh my
chicken.
god, the
and-
jalebis look amazing.
The fried chicken.
This is the. This is honestly the
The
best.
fried chicken looks really nice though.
Best. Potentially the best meal
You know, my stomach is kind of like
we've had on the podcast.
uneasy right now. Just looking at
Let's
this
go for it.
combination.
Let's go for it, bro.
Okay, but don't no cheating, huh?
Okay, what are we supposed to do?
No foreplay.
Let everyone try it once.
Straight,
No?
go straight in.
Jalebi and
Put a jalebi on the fried.
On the fried chicken.
Guys, check this.
Go. I want to see how it is.
mm.
Is it working? Why are you flirting?
Okay, see, I have this much. Let's give this a try.
More jalebi.
It's not bad. It's like honey glazed chicken. Huh?
I'm gonna try getting a big bite in,
It's not bad.
Yeah.
guys.
It's pretty good.
See, this combination works, right?
If you're someone who likes sweet food, then yeah. I don't like sweet food. I love spicy though. But I can see it.
So you should get extra spicy chicken.
Mm.
Huh. I think that's what's missing. This needs to be spicier. And
Yeah.
then it'll be
If
right.
it's more spicy, but it's not.
I like it.
Pretty good.
Yes, thank you.
I
That
didn't
honey
think
glazed
the,
chicken.
I didn't think the sweet would add to the fried chicken very well.
Jalebi is very nice.
Hmm.
I like crispy jalebi. No
I'll-
soft wala pasand nahi hota.
I love Imarti.
That's not jalebi, that's imarti.
Imarti is a soft one.
We had this huge jalebi in Indore.
It's called jaleba.
Jaleba.
Oh, I've heard about
It's this
it.
big.
It's like as big as my face.
Where and then 1 kilo की कुछ होती है. अब
हाँ,
पनीर
आधा
वनीर
किलो
डालते
की
हैं.
होती है.
Yeah, पनीर से. See, it's not bad.
It's not bad.
And then he put rabdi on it.
Oh, I
It's
love
like-
jalebi rabdi. I love meetha. I can have meetha like.
Yeah.
This
Sugar.
fried chicken was delicious, guys.
It was amazing.
This is Louis Burger.
Oh, Louis,
They're very good.
the burgers. Oh my god.
Thank you, Louise.
For not sponsoring us.
It's okay, bye.
No, that cheeseburger is too good.
Whenever y'all want to sponsor us with cheeseburgers.
Every once in a while, having something very sweet,
Just sets the.
I love it. Otherwise, I don't eat sugar.
At all? हाँ no,
Zero.
नहीं खा रहा.
I'm too
I
stuck.
like
I'm
chicken.
sorry.
But every day, I have like one sweet thing.
For dinner, after dinner.
What?
Could be anything. Like one sweet thing
Chocolate
I
or
will
something.
choose. Most days, I have dates, which is healthy also.
Like that. Okay. I thought you meant like some
not even-
candy.
But like ice cream
हाँ.
or Coke sometimes. Coke is the sweet thing.
Coke like Pepsi wala Coke, na
हाँ.
wo? Yeah.
That's not so sweet.
We have to clarify
Okay, I'm
it.
gonna have one.
Yeah,
That
Episode.
Pepsi wala.
Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm going for seconds. Huh?
Oh,
But this was good, right?
It's good. मैं
Thank
2 बार
you.
खा रहा हूँ.
He liked it. I'm so glad.
We've
Now you have
actually
to
put
try.
in so much jalebi in it.
But that's the fun of it because the jalebi is also crispy
Yeah.
and then the juice
The
drips
chicken
onto the
is also-
chicken. So it's not bad at
How
all.
did you come up with this?
I don't know. I think I eat a lot of jalebis by the way. मेरे घर पे जलेबी मतलब रोज आती है. This guy ना, the mithai. So he also sells sugar-free jalebis. So I love jalebi. So I think I ordered fried chicken and then I saw this. मैंने देखा
Which
था
mithai is this?
मिठाई.
No, which mithai?
Conscious मिठाई वाला.
Oh, conscious.
So I think I was
Sugar
just
free.
रबड़ी.
Sugar. There's food in my mouth. Sugar free jalebi.
Sugar free jalebi.
हाँ,
Yes.
sugar-free jalebi, sugar-free घेवर. So
And
I,
it's sweet.
yeah, it's very sweet and very crispy.
Nice.
So I just वो मंगाई थी and then I don't know I saw a reel ये waffle और ये वाली कि honey डाल रहे हैं maple syrup डाल रहे हैं and I think I was drunk
Hmm.
so I just had it.
I have a cool content idea for you.
What do I drink?
No. Every week,
Hmm.
on maybe some Friday or something, one
Weird food
designated day, you do one of these food combo videos.
Yeah, you should. That'll be
Then I'll
good.
get some food brand collabs or something.
Yeah.
मसाला
The business
Swiggy,
woman is
Zomato सब आएंगे.
वो तो
Already
ऐसे आ
was.
जाता है वो ऐसे
you're dressed as Swiggy today.
स्विगी क्या मतलब I didn't get the joke.
It's the
It's
color.
orange.
Color.
Oh, now I get it. I'm sorry.
No, it's
By the way,
okay.
that also PlayStation also Blinkit.
Oh, right.
Shout out.
Okay.
It
Blinkit,
came in
bro.
fucking 10 minutes.
Fucking
Yeah.
love you, Blinkit.
Blinkit पे PlayStation है. It came in 10
सब
minutes.
मिलता है Blinkit
That's-
पे.
But I didn't buy it today. I bought it when I thought about it.
Hmm.
And then someone told me that you can get it on Blinkit. Actually, someone told me this first and then I thought that, okay, PlayStation, oh, gift, perfect.
Shout out to that man.
Sahel, he's outside.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
this
will
guy.
say thank you to him also for guiding you to this great decision.
Love it.
that
This
you
was
made.
very good, yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Anything else you guys want to talk about?
Man,
I just want to
Take
say I'm
over.
glad you liked the combination.
Yeah.
Like I was nervous because
You
of
out
him.
of all people.
you out of all people, see that.
And I want to say I'm very glad for the lovely gift you got us.
Guys, stop it now. मुझसे अब नहीं हो रहा है, please, okay.
Yeah, बस अभी done.
I'm
उसके
just gonna
अंदर
say
actually PlayStation नहीं है.
Oh shit, we haven't opened
we
it.
haven't opened.
Oh
And
my
again, she must be bluffing.
No, it didn't. I was going to reveal this after the podcast, like because I knew you guys were gonna talk about it.
Yeah.
Mm,
I was going to tell you at the end
Later.
that
There's no PlayStation.
Oh man.
damn. I was just about to say thank you for the PlayStation.
Yeah,
thank you for this episode.
Thank you for nothing, I guess.
Yeah.
so now you have to edit like the entire podcast जहाँ पे तारीफ कर रहे हो और thank you बोल रहे हो.
that box was very heavy.
Fully
Yeah.
disappointed.
It must be, yeah.
I'm
There is
not gonna
something-
lie. I'm not gonna lie. As soon as you gave me the box, I knew. Without opening, I knew.
You knew it. You knew. Okay, sorry यार. नहीं, I'm sorry. वो उसका डंडा था. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, I knew it was a PS5.
Because guys, मतलब they know.
Yeah.
Like,
You've seen Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
but yeah.
Oh, yeah,
when Shah Rukh comes, his mom just knows. For guys, we sense the presence of a PS5 if it's
Yep.
Around
anywhere
us.
Around.
So you know there's PS5 in it.
Yeah. सील था bro, I mean. सोनी का सील लगा है उस पर.
I think I forgot to even remove the.
Price?
Yeah.
We know how
But
much
We
it
don't know how
costs.
much it costs though.
No, I realized it later in the car. I'm like, पर उनको तो पता ही होगा ना, तो
हाँ.
फर्क क्या पड़ता है?
Yeah.
Even if I remove it, it's okay.
But thank you for doing
Yes.
this.
Thank you for having me.
Show is coming out on the
23rd.
You guys are
23rd.
coming on 22nd.
Yes, we are.
We'll
For
see it
the
one day early.
screening.
Yeah, you guys are gonna, because these are my special guests. I love
So
these
Thank
guys.
you, yeah, thank you.
And then
Thank you.
we party wherever we
Yeah.
party.
And
You
everyone,
already told the name like 4 times.
वो बाद में डाल देंगे.
Mm.
everyone go watch, follow कर लो यार.
When release, this is releasing after then.
Yeah.
हाँ,
Yeah.
तो फिर तो go watch it. There's so much stuff you guys can't even imagine.
Can't wait.
There's my
I'm
boob
excited.
job.
Let's go.
मिल गया.
No, but I didn't get the boob job.
Oh.
Spoiler alert.
This is releasing after now, so I'm like, okay now. And then the fact that I'm a celibate since 3.5 years.
Boo.
But then you just made out with someone, you said.
अरे तो that
That's in it or no?
no, but a date is there, but a blind date is there.
Spoiler.
Oh, there's a blind
So
date.
celibate doesn't mean that you can't kiss someone.
Of course it does.
No, it means
Celibate
you can't have
means-
sex.
Oh.
Oh.
Celibacy is not having sex. Like you can kiss someone, yeah. I
So
think
basically you blue ball yourself.
Yeah.
That's so stupid.
I don't think so.
Edging.
No, girls don't get. I don't know. They don't feel that we can control ourselves.
We can't.
Hey.
I'm kidding. It's a
No,
joke.
guys can't. Guys can't. Usually, I feel that they have.
No,
more-
but you have to. It's like.
No,
Yeah.
you have to. That is just your moral compass, of course. You have to. But it's easier for girls to just be
Yeah.
like, you
Yeah.
know.
There's more lust, I
No,
think,
but
in
like
our...
I don't like being desperate, bro. Like,
Yeah.
like I feel.
We gotta play
I
that
feel
game.
it's very cringe to be desperate,
You
Yeah.
don't like it.
and I know girls also hate it.
Yeah.
When you play that game, you go crazy.
Yeah. Game be nahi, just like chill out, bro. Like just talk for.
No, but
Baat
like,
kar
why
bhai
isn't
tu.
like you get thoughts like, why isn't he kissing me? Like, what's wrong?
Hmm.
Like, why isn't he making when there's sexual tension?
Mm.
Not like randomly. Yeah, and I'm not thinking, why isn't Krishna kissing me?
You know,
Are you?
this episode will never
This
get
is
over.
yeah. This episode we're just not ending. She used to go somewhere and it's just like.
Oh, she has to be so.
Cancel it.
Oh, but, I can. It's not a big deal.
Yeah, fuck you guys, man.
We'll go
अरे
on.
मेरा तो मन भी नहीं था यार.
नहीं नहीं.
No, don't say.
Don't say anything now.
I
Yeah.
remember.
No, but like I
Nee,
didn't want to
kar,
go
yeah.
anyways. But my team is like, you know,
Go.
yeah. But I hate all these gatherings and everything. मुझसे नहीं होता है. I just can't.
But thank you for doing this gathering with us.
Yeah.
I like you guys
Yeah, this was
Thank
fun.
We also like you.
Yeah.
sometimes.
No, a lot.
Nee.
Now,
all
now
the
so
time.
forever.
Yeah. Favorite. चलो बोल दे
चलो.
भाई.
Thank you. Watch the show. And show is done. हो गया ना?
I thought you're
This
doing
is how
some
you
sort of
promote.
outro.
This is how you promote a show, bro.
That was crazy.